I gotta move this out the way. This thing is just absolutely majestic. Ugh. How many viewers we got today? Let me see. OBS. Window. 12 hours of copyright. There we go. And now, let me see what it's looking. What's going on, people? Holy shit, everyone's jumped in. Holy fuck. Let me see. Give me 1 second, boys. I'm experiencing a couple issues at the moment. Let me see. I think we're set now. Let me see. Let me fix up the screen. Actually, let me just take it off. Alright, just give me 1 second, boys. I'm gonna be right there with you. I gotta make sure this thing like properly fits the screen. Let me see if that helps. Let me see more. And we are set almost. Fuck me, shit. Hurry up. Alright, there we go. Let me log out. And we're set. Alright, finally. Sorry about that, boys. As you guys know, I don't know if you guys actually know. What's his name? The Roaring Kitty is going to be streaming tomorrow, and he posted the live stream earlier, and so like people can actually just go in and just kind of like wait, and after that it's just been moving like crazy. It's absolutely amazing. I know so many people that have been buying calls left and right over the past couple of weeks, especially after the Roaring Kitty posted his position. They've just been buying nonstop, and it's just crazy to see how he alone is moving almost the entire company, to be honest. It's just absolutely insane to see how he like mobilizes so many people, and I absolutely love it. This company cannot go bankrupt, not as it currently stands, so we'll see. Let me see. Although I miss the robot voice, I'm happy to hear a friendly voice. Let's get it. Yeep yeep to the moon. Ah, there it is. Halts for nothing. Yeah, did you guys see that? When GameStop started really moving, what happened? The SEC stepped in and said, nope, you're not allowed. And they halted it, and it went down. Because as you guys know, GameStop's not going to be allowed to move like that. They don't want it to. They don't want it to. It is 100% manipulation. I've seen so many people argue against it. It's like, it's not manipulation because they do it everywhere else. It is still manipulation, even if it happens with another company, not just GameStop. It's not just manipulation because it happens on GameStop. It's manipulation because the SEC interferes in the process. It got halted today. Yeah, right here. Right here. See that red candle? That was brought to you by the SEC. This thing is 100% manipulated. I don't know if you guys saw the, what do you call it, the video yesterday. Did anyone here watch the video yesterday? I talked to you guys about how the SEC actually did something good, which was trying to make the private funds transparent with like the things that they're doing, and how they took them the funds lost their case in court, then they appealed, and then they won yesterday. And they're not even happy about it. They were talking about how The SEC has been imposing a lot of transparency rules that they don't like, and that they plan on actually bringing all of them to the appeals court because they don't want to be transparent. Because apparently, according to them, and this is not just, you know, private equity funds, this is like actual hedge funds as well. Apparently, they don't like it when they have to disclose to their customers information because they feel like customers might be negatively affected, which makes it makes no sense whatsoever. Let me see, that's not suspicious. They are scared. Yeah, maybe we should listen to him. Citadel has proper action with a little gold plate. How Nvidia at high price is not an issue. Exactly. Yeah, Nvidia is allowed to move however it wants. And to be honest, Nvidia is an amazing investment. I've been buying that since last year, and let me tell you something, okay? Nvidia has been a fucking W for me. Nvidia has been it. I'm not complaining about Nvidia. I hope it keeps on going. It's an amazing company. It has so much potential to actually continue moving up. But again, like you said, what you said is very true. Nvidia is allowed to move however it wants, right? Because everyone sort of deems it as a free capital market where the market decides the value of the company. But when it comes to GameStop, then all of a sudden that idea of free market goes out the window, because now all of a sudden, well, the price needs to like be backed up by fundamentals. It makes no sense for GameStop to be trading so high when the company's not making that much money. So, like, it shouldn't be allowed to move. It's like, are you fucking kidding me? Fuck off, bro. As if the markets are irrational. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, I'm going to put a link to the Discord here in the chat. Make sure you guys join if you haven't already. We have so much going on in regards to GameStop there. I'm always posting the news on the community tab. There's a lot of people invested in GameStop, always chatting with each other. If you guys haven't already, click that link. Come in and join us, and let's grow this little community. Because I feel like, honestly, my server is the absolute best when it comes to GameStop. We have like the best discussions, the best topics, the best opinions. We're very open about everything. We're not tribalistic in the sense that we sort of like ban people from, you know, because they think differently than others. So it's super open. It's not like Super Song, which is like toxic as hell. So come in and join us. Yep, the halt. Yeah, I can see this halt being halted soon. I'm gonna open up the Nasdaq. Let me see. Nasdaq. Let me see. I'm gonna let you guys know exactly when it gets halted, because this thing is gonna get halted again. They're not. We have 35 minutes left on the market, and I guarantee you that they don't like. They're scared of this thing right now. Of the potential for this thing to like really pop off. I mean, look how it's moving, bro. Look at that. Vertical. Oh yeah, this thing is gonna get halted. We should open up bets. Like, how soon do you think it's gonna get halted? In a minute, a couple seconds. It's so nice to see green numbers. I just crossed the threshold for my initial investment. Been holding onto this small slice of a pie for a few years now. Congratulations, man. That's what you guys get for holding a stock. I've been telling you guys for years, and oh my god, if you guys watch my videos, if you guys go through the comment section, you guys will see so many people calling me out, right? Like, you're fucking shill. Like, you're always telling people to like hold an investment that has like no upside. GameStop had its run. You know, it ran in 2021 and it's a dead company. They're not making sales. Their CEO is a scammer. It moves only because the deep fucking value guy tweets. It's like, nah, bro. I've done my math. I've done my research for years now. I can 100% guarantee you that this company's float is astronomical. And shorters are the ones that are taking huge losses in this over time. Because they're the ones with the burden, right? In the equation where they have to be the ones that have to close. We don't have to close shit. I just continue holding this. This is what I preach, though. This is what I preach to you guys, and it's important that you guys listen to me. You guys need to like be conscious about how much money you are investing in GameStop. There's so many people that YOLO when GameStop's moving up, right? They'll see it moving $10 in a day, $20 in a day, and then they'll go and just buy thousands of dollars worth of shares, and then the price goes back down, and they're like, every single time I come in and buy GameStop, it goes down and I lose a lot of money. And I tell them that's because you're buying it wrong. You're buying it when it's squeezing, when it's at its peak. You need to buy over time, slow, passive, build up a structure where you're actually investing in the company over time instead of just putting your money all at once, and diversify your portfolio so that other holdings grow your account while GameStop is stagnating, sitting sideways, or when it's going down, when the bullshit's happening. While that's happening, you're still making money on other investments. Make sure your portfolio is set up for success long-term, regardless of GameStop. And that's going to give you the ability to have that longevity in holding, not caving into pressure, not caving into seeing red for so long. That's what you guys need to be aware of. GameStop has been performing like shit. Let's be honest. Over the past couple of months, outside of the previous weeks, right? This company has been performing like shit. Look at that, right? And it's okay. My portfolio has been looking like this, and I've posted pictures of it on my Discord. My portfolio is going up. Why? Because I have Nvidia. Because I bought Disney when it was $80. I've been buying Microsoft like crazy. I bought Google when it was $130 and it dipped because they put Black George Washington on Twitter and everyone started roasting them, and it caused the market to like kind of panic and sell off. I was buying those dips because I knew those companies are good long term. So my portfolio is going up even though GameStop was down. And now that it's actually going up, my portfolio is going like this. I shit you not. I'm gonna post a couple updates of the pictures of my portfolio so that you guys can see that. But I've been posting it. You guys can just go to my Discord and check it out. Just go to the Gains channel and just scroll up. But it's what I've been telling you guys. Make sure that you guys are, diversifying. Make sure you guys are being conscious about the way you guys are buying GameStop. You don't want to put all your money all at once into GameStop thinking that, it's going up. It's gone up 20%, 40%, 45% today. Like, what's going to happen? This is it. I gotta buy in because it's going to squeeze and I'm going to miss out. You guys cannot think like that. You guys got to think it's squeezing now because it's anticipating the Roaring Kitty live streaming tomorrow. But what's going to happen after that? It's probably going to dip over time, and that's totally fine. When it starts dipping down below a certain target, and you guys specify that target, that's when you guys go in and start buying at that dip. It's loading up over time, no pressure. Make sure you guys are diversifying. Make sure you guys are conscious about what you're doing. And that's going to allow you that's what's going to allow you to have mental, I don't want to say mental stability, but like emotional control over the next couple of months, next couple of years, however long this process lasts. Fuck, I'm out of breath. Holy shit. Give me a second. Oh my god, Lady D's here. Queen, what's going on, girl? Let me see. So nice to see green numbers. I read it. I'm super happy about you, man. Great Randu. Congratulations, brother. Take a screenshot of that and put it in my Discord. I'm going to put another link on my Discord right here. Make sure you guys join it. And if you guys don't mind, there's about 276 of you watching this stream. If you guys don't mind, let's keep on GameStop trending. Please hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe. And make sure you guys are, typing and hashtagging GameStop in the comment section on the stream. Make sure you guys are engaging. If you drive engagement up, YouTube's gonna pump out these live stream, and more eyes are gonna catch on to GameStop over the past couple of months now. Over the last 2 months, I would say, the amount of people that are new to investing, or even people experienced with investing that witnessed what happened in 2021, have raised eyebrows and have actually joined the GameStop movement. So Let me see. We won BB. I've been in GameStop since March 2021. Let me see. GameStop. Hashtag GameStop babe. AMC's running. Get shares for AA to bail his buddies out with some shit. Yeah. How many shares can AMC still, what do you call it, dilute? Because I guarantee you that this guy is going to dilute AMC. If he can, he will. AMC is in desperate need of cash. I don't know if you guys have been following the performance of movies lately in the theaters, in the box office. Atrocious. And that's not me trying to hate on AMC. I actually do a shit ton of business with AMC. I don't do business with GameStop. I love watching movies in theaters, but performance at the box office has been atrocious this year. And let me tell you, if Deadpool is not hitting 800 million, at least... if A Quiet Place 2 is not hitting big numbers, this summer, if they don't hit those numbers, those big numbers like they used to, I feel like honestly, like it's a death call for AMC. In a sense that their fundamentals are going to get really fucked because this company is not performing well. Because if people don't go to theaters, they're not going to make money. Let me see. Hashtag GameStop, the cat is back. 6,600 shares of AMC. Holy fuck, bro. He has to. Can't stop. GameStop. That's right. Can you explain all the 25 shareholders on the bid? Dude, I have to pull up my broker. I would have to pull it up. I'm going to look into it, Greg. And make sure you ask me this again. Make sure you join my Discord and ask me that again later on today. Just tag me on it. And I'll be more than happy to look into that. I'm looking at TradingView and I have my other screen with the live stream and my Discord as well. So I'm not gonna be able to sort of juggle in between too much stuff because I also have open trades on another screen. So my whole thing is just filled up. But I'll be more than happy to get back to you on that 100%. Definitely waiting for the new Deadpool. Yeah, me too. I'm kind of excited, not gonna lie. I feel like Deadpool, Spider-Man, and potentially the new X-Men. If they decide to make a new Wolverine movie in the MCU, I feel like those are the only movies that people are hyped about. The MCU has taken the MCU is honestly dying. It's just their movies are just absolute crappy these days. I don't know what happened after Endgame. They dropped the ball big time. Do you think tomorrow will be the same as today? Yeah, because again, the reason why we are squeezing up is because there's a lot of anticipation with deep fucking value streaming tomorrow, right? Because of that, the market's kind of reacting like this. And that's super cool, to be honest. But as he live streams tomorrow, I do expect a lot of volume to be going into GameStop. So what I think is going to happen is that SEC is going to step right on in and they're going to be halting it nonstop. Left, right, and center, baby. Up and down, it doesn't matter. The SEC is going to make sure that to pause. They're going to ensure that the process of, of trading is paused so that their cronies at Citadel can pump all of those naked shares and phantom shares into the market to ensure that the price is not too volatile. They're going to move all of that volume into OTCs, into over the counter. In fact, let me just pull something up. Give me 1 second. Let me see. I'm about to get real toxic on this shit. Let me see if it's happening. I don't think it's happening yet. It's not too crazy. The price actions, it's good. But it's not oh my god, crazy good. So I don't feel like they're going to do it yet. Yeah, they're not doing it yet. I guarantee you, they're pumping all that volume right now that they're getting. What we're getting, they're pumping it into OTC markets. They can't allow GameStop to run. They cannot do it. If they let GameStop run, do you think this company is gonna stop right here? This thing is the buy pressure is gonna be insane. It would go into the hundreds in a single day. They cannot let GameStop run. It's gonna break the entire market. Everyone thinks everyone thinks of Nvidia as like, holy shit, it's like the fucking whale stock in the stock market, you know? Like, holy fuck, it just keeps on going up nonstop. And I mean, great for them and for me, because I'm crazy invested in Nvidia. But if you think the meteoric rise on Nvidia, it should be in a historic textbook in finance. Let GameStop run without SEC interference, without market makers pumping all that volume, the buying volume, into OTC markets. Let it run its course in a single day. Watch what happens. Nvidia is going to be nothing compared to this stock. This stock has I would say about 5 to 10 million people that are bullish on it in this company long term. Do you think for a second that these people are even thinking about selling? The only way GameStop would stop moving up would be, again, I and this is me speculating, but I think they would have to take it to court because nobody would sell. I feel like the GameStop would go to like $100 million per share, and it would have a significant portion of people whose like share account value, right? Whose share account totals more than the entire, shares outstanding for GameStop, and they would still not even think about selling. They would not think about selling. They would be like, nope, I don't want to sell. I don't give a fuck. GameStop currently has outstanding shares in a number of 305.7 million right now. I guarantee you, like the super strong community, like some of the people there, easily they own that float, right? And a lot of them, this thing could run to like, $1 million, and they'll be like, nope, I'm not selling. I'll sell like one share to secure $1 million, and that's it. I don't give a fuck. Again, it's not logical. That's what hedge funds, that's the thing that makes GameStop so unique. It's not a logical investment in the sense that people are looking to derive a specific profit. People are buying without the intention of selling. And that's what makes this play so special. It's so unique and unlike anything else. Yeah, people want to get rich, don't get me wrong. That's the whole point of fucking investing in GameStop. They're just not going to sell. Is this the gamma squeeze? No, this is not a gamma squeeze, in my opinion. This is just hype for tomorrow. I know deep fucking values, 120,000 call contracts are just absolute. How much money is he? Do you guys know? Chat, let me know. Do you guys know how much money he has? He's made on those calls. I forgot. Someone check on those calls. I think they're due. They expire next week on the 14th, and they are the $20 strike ones. How much is he up right now? The goal needs to be to own the float and then prove that there's fraudulent shares manipulating prices 100%. Yeah, that's the whole point with DRS. That's the whole point with DRS. $460 million total. Holy fuck, bro. This thing runs to $80 and deep fucking value becomes a billionaire. This thing moves to $80 like it did last time, and deep fucking value becomes a fucking billionaire. Holy fucking shit. No wonder why E-Trade wants to kick him out. It's like the poor are not to beat the rich. The poor are not supposed to beat the rich. Stop them. GameStop hits 69 and hits a billion. Yeah. That is absolutely insane. Crazy. Oh, they expire on the 21st, my bad. I thought it was on the 14th. He's got time, man. He's got time. Imagine if he exercised the calls when it gets ridiculously high. Oh yeah, 100%. I think he's gonna exercise. A lot of the hints, a lot of the posts that he's made on Twitter, kind of point out to him. You could argue that he's kind of hinting at the fact that he has $29 million sitting cash on his E-Trade account, and he's probably gonna use that plus selling a lot of the options that are gonna expire, of course, into like exercising and increasing his the amount of shares that he has 100%. And what do you guys even know? Can you guys even comprehend what that's going to do to the stock price? Like, I'm telling you guys, like, GameStop is poised right now. It's primed to go crazy. GameStop is poised and primed to move. And if we take a look, bro, let me see. Give me a second. If we take a look here real quick. Give me a second, boys. Got a lot of bullshit here on the chart. Look how high it went up last time, right here. Today alone, from the moment we closed yesterday, where did we close? Right here. We closed right here, boys. Today we've moved about 45 to 41% in a single day. Tomorrow when he live streams, he only has to do twice as much as that, and we are set. I mean, look at this. GameStop in a pre-market, the last time it ran up to like $81. This thing moved about, how much is it? This thing moved 166% overnight. Overnight. That is insane. Yeah, and people call this investment dead. It makes no sense. The fundamentals don't back it up. You know what? If you're talking about fundamentals, I'm going to be real honest with you. And I know this is going to trigger a fuck ton of you. But if you're talking about fundamentals, Tesla should not be sitting at $500 billion in market capitalization. In market cap... Wait, let me see. Wait, give me a second. Let me see. How much is Tesla worth right now? They're worth, yeah, $500 billion. $178 a share. Yeah. No. If we're talking about fundamentals alone and how much money they derive, Tesla should not be sitting at that market cap. But they don't make that same argument for GameStop, though, because it's not convenient. Look how much we have progressed, bro. Look how much we have progressed. We've made up years of going downtrending hard. Hope for so many people vanished over the course of 2 to 3 years, and now look, we are so back, baby. Oh my god, dude, with my own Moass money I can buy my own shill. Higher highs and higher lows, baby. Let's go. That's right. We are still here. We're not leaving, bro. We're never leaving. Probably got another glitch tomorrow in GameStop like the one we got the other day. You heard here. Oh, yeah. Tomorrow, guys, expect everything to happen. I'm expecting the SEC to come in and start stumping on that stock price, halting it left, right, and center, up and down. It doesn't matter where it's at. The SEC is going to be there just grinding that halt button. They're just going to be like non-stop. They're gonna be smashing that fucking halt button. As you guys should be smashing that like button. Help me keep GameStop trending, guys. We have 85 likes with about 361 people viewing. Please hit that like button. I know I sound cringe like every other YouTuber begging for likes and subscription. Please buy my promos. NordVPN, HelloFresh. Just please. And not even for me. I don't even make money on fucking YouTube. This piece of shit platform hates my robot videos. It's just to keep GameStop trending. That's the whole purpose of it. That's where my money is. That's where a lot of you guys' money is. Please help me keep pumping this company up. We need to get as many eyes as possible on this thing because GameStop is primed. It's a victim of the system, and we are exposing these motherfuckers on it. So smash that like button. Let me see, did Gary defend DFV? Kind of, in 2021. To be honest, Gary Gensler, there's a lot of shit that he's done and he's said that I totally disagree with. You know, there's a fuck ton of it. I just don't see eye to eye with him. But if we're gonna be honest, and I know this is gonna sound like a shill, I know I'm gonna get, fucked in the butt over this in the comment section. But I feel like out of like what we could have gotten as a SEC chair, he's probably the best that we could have had. If you guys, I don't know if you guys saw it, there, the previous guy that was holding position before Gary came in, they did an interview with him a couple of weeks ago. And you know what he said about GameStop? You guys know, let me pull it up. I'm not even going to tell you. Let's expose this guy. Ex-SEC chair, GameStop. Let me see. Let me see if I can find it now. Fuck. It's going to be a bitch to find it. Oh my God. This is going to be annoying. I need to start saving these videos on my actual computer because SEC chair. Just give me a second. Essentially what he said, well, I'm going to look for it because I'm not too sure I'm going to be able to find it, but what he said was that there should be interference with GameStop because fuck, I can't find him. Because the stock is obviously not trading normal, and investors should not be able to sort of dictate the price that GameStop should be trading at. He feels like it's almost like people are gambling, which is crazy because the majority of people that are talking about GameStop are invested in the company long term, which is insane. He's talking about us being gamblers. Are you kidding me? How are we gambling on GameStop where the majority of us are just holding it? It's not our fault that Citadel's algorithm can contain the crisis that's happening. It's not on us. Is Webull owned by China? I think they're owned by a company in Singapore. Yeah. Where Sim holds his shares? Yep. I have them, and the majority are in Fidelity account. On my Webull, I have I day trade for the most part, but I have GameStop shares as well. But for the most part, it's just to like day trade. The platform's super easy, intuitive to function. So easy stuff, guys. If you guys haven't already joined, people keep asking me. Oh my God, where is it? Join my Discord. I put a link right there in the chat. Click that button, come on in. We have so many people talking, discussing GameStop all day, every day, nonstop. So if you guys are into GameStop, if you guys are into other investments as well, hit that link. You won't regret it, I promise. What do you think Katie's going to do on his stream? He's probably going to talk about GameStop. He's probably going to talk about his thesis on why he's so bullish about GameStop and why he's holding 120,000 shares. I mean, call options, 120,000 call options on GameStop. He's probably going to talk about that a little bit. Talk about his experience holding over the past couple of years, why he hasn't sold, what he thinks the company is going to do moving forward. I think he's going to be talking about. I think the point of the stream that Kitty wants to do is he just wants to talk about GameStop and why he thinks it's an amazing investment over the long term. Why he's still bullish on it. I think that's going to be the overall point. He might talk about his specific strategy with his 5 million shares and his 120,000 calls. He might talk about what he thinks is going to be in the next earnings report. He might talk about what he thinks the company should do with their investments, right? Because we know that GameStop has $2 billion sitting cash, right? So like he might talk about like, oh, if I was them, I would do this. I would do a share buyback program. I would reinvest the money into these assets and derive a lot of cash through dividend payouts or like capital gains by investing in these companies that have a lot of upside potential over the next couple of years. He might talk about like where he would like the business to pivot, because obviously physical sales are going down on GameStop, and that's honestly across the entire industry. I saw Best Buy and Walmart are removing the movie brackets off of their stores as well, because like nobody's buying physical media. It's a thing. So he might be talking about those things. That's what I'm expecting. Hey, Robot Ape, I've watched your channel since the beginning and all through the AMC fuckery. Thank you so much. How many of you have been watching me since 2021? Let me know in chat real quick. Just say me. Just type me. How many of you guys have actually been watching my my channel since 2021? How many of you are OG apes? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. Holy fuck. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Holy fucking shit. God damn. I love this. About 65 so far. Damn, it just keeps on going. 70. I have a question because I've always wondered, and you guys have to be 100% honest. You know, there's been a lot of people that have covered GameStop and AMC in particular, because AMC is like, it was at least the most popular one until last year, until Adam Aaron decided to, you know, fuck everyone up with it, with his endless dilutive efforts. But over the past couple of years, since 2021, there's been a lot of YouTubers that have come up in the scene and have gained crazy amounts of popularity. You know, you have your Matt Kors, I remember Trey, your Max Investor. You had that bull guy that he passed away. I forgot his name, but a lot of people used to love him. Ronch, I think his name was something like that. Ronch Capital. It was a lot of them. Why did you guys prefer my Discord, my YouTube channel over theirs? Because like mine was just a bot, and I always felt like mine. I mean, my channel's always been kind of niche. It's always been very small. It's not popular. I don't have like that big of a personality to attract that many people into like watching myself, whereas other people have that sort of aura, that charisma that entices people to want to watch them. So like, what kept you guys here? I'm just honestly curious about it. What set up my channel apart from theirs? Because they had all the views. I mean shit. If it's a good day and I hit 4,000 views on a single video, I'm feeling good. But I've seen a lot of those people, like they just pulled 25,000 views in a single video with no effort, and I'm like, holy shit! Like, what am I doing wrong? Let me see. I've been following you since. Let's see what you guys say. I'm gonna read all of your guys' responses. So here we go. I got into GME before it took off. That's not pretending well. Remember that. People were saying, because remember back in 2021, everyone was kind of like trying to date when Moass was gonna happen. And then I made a big video saying Moass is not going to happen this year. And everyone, dude, I lost legitimately in that video alone over the course of like a couple of weeks. Because you still get a lot of views over the days after you post a video. I lost thousands of subscribers just for saying that. Because again, it was very unpopular to like have that type of opinion back then. You had to like be you had to be in the groupthink. You were not allowed to say different things. Computer voice was incredibly coherent. For me, I felt it was very clear and provided enough variance that I knew it was human. It helped me disconnect some emotion behind the message, and I listened clearly. The deep dives into the DD. Oh my god, you watched them, Rex? No, almost nobody watched those. I remember I used to make morning videos on DD alone, and that was like some of my best content. Like nobody watched my best content on this channel. Nobody watched my best content. I remember I would get like a couple 2,000-3,000 views, and I would just be breaking everything down, explaining everything, and nobody would watch them. Because like nobody really cared about the DD as much as people cared about the hype. You know what I mean? Like, is he pumping it up? How is he making me feel about GameStop right now? Is he feeding me what I want to hear? And DD is just mathematics and just history and just looking at what happened and kind of like talking about it and comparing it to what's happening now, and nobody really gives a fuck about that. So I appreciate you, Rex, for watching that. That means a lot to me. I'm not gonna lie. Holy fuck. Lou versus Wall Street. Yeah, that was his name. He passed away. I think I heard he got cancer. I never liked the dude, but you know, nobody deserves to go that way. It's really, really sad. Not gonna lie, I'm a bit mad at myself for not selling some shares at high times for massively increase my positions after the dip. So, you know, you can change that now if you want. It's up to you how you want to trade GameStop. Personally, I buy very slow, so I don't have a problem with that. You know, I'm very strategic about the way I invest. So, you know, I'm not going crazy. Oh my God, it's running up. I got to buy right now at $46.30. Nah, I take my time. It's like, okay, I know it's probably going to come down. And once it reaches this price level, that's when I'm going to buy. Lou passed away. Yeah, he got cancer, man. I never liked the dude. He always felt like he was just scamming people. Because of the things he was saying. I think he was always bullshitting his way through, like, you know, content. But again, it's really sad, to be honest. He was really funny. You are the sauce man because you were actually honest. Need to hear both the good and the bad. The non-personality was the draw. No fluff, just DD. Okay. I'm kind of seeing now what you guys like my content so much. You told the truth. They said 90% of it. Love the robot voice. The bot was easy to understand. DD, the bot was awesome. Had good breakdowns and sounded good with good visuals. Yeah, Lou passed away. We watched everyone who had information. You backed your info with the info you were talking about. The robot voice just scream malicious happenings. You were real, no bullshit. The bot, bro. Love the bot. Good bot. But love your voice too. Thank you so much, Sydney. I appreciate that. I'm going to ask about that actually in a couple minutes. How do you guys feel about my voice now? Because lately I've been making a lot of videos, but using my voice instead of the robot one. And I've gotten really mixed feedback. A lot of people say like, dude, you sound amazing. I never thought you sounded like that. Like the way you sound is like really enticing. I want to hear more. I want to get more content like this. Stop using the robot voice. And then I get a lot of people saying, nah, go back to what it was. Your voice ain't it. Your voice ain't it. Oh shit. Let me see. That's some honest truth right there. I appreciate that though. I love that feedback. I don't really get emotional about stuff like that. So if you guys want to be 100% honest with me, I love it. Just be 100% truthful. Let me see the robot voice. We loved him. You were You were realistic. Your videos were not all fairies and rainbows. Yeah, my videos, some of them were super dark. Like yesterday's video was absolutely fucking depressing, to be honest. Lou died a couple months ago. The information, short and easy, and no fucking fluff. You kept it real. You don't only push people to buy, but sometimes tell people to wait. Yeah, 100%. Like right now, I'm not gonna buy this right here. My girl hated your videos. Ah, man, you gotta break up with her. Replace her. She ain't it, bro. She doesn't want you to hold. She wants you to follow some bought out piece of shit YouTuber pumping hype so that you can buy high and then sell low. Gotta get rid of her, man. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, Jose. I'm just fucking around. The most crazy hypes were coming from you. I remember in the beginning I was like super hype. I'm not gonna lie. Towards the beginning of the 2021, I knew at least AMC. I was making a lot of content on AMC, and then it ran up, and I was just shook. I was like, oh my god, here it is. I was taking in the beginning of the phase before summer in 2021. I was like I was honestly like very emotional about AMC and GameStop. I'm not gonna lie. You're 100% right. And I apologize about that. I've learned a lot about not being emotional, even when a stock is squeezing like that. So, you know, I learned my lessons. You're 100% right. I do deserve criticism for that, so I'm happy you brought that up. Straightforward information, but very logical, honest, and relatable. Damn, what the fuck happened? Rip Lou. Yeah, he got cancer, man. Super sad stuff. YouTubers don't show their face will never compete with those who do. Oh, YouTubers who don't show their face will never compete with those who do. Yeah, that's 100% true. You gave the truth regardless of if it was bad. You were a straight shooter, and you were real and dependable. Rip Lou. I love to watch a spaceman walk when the most important stuff is covered. Yeah, man. You know what happened with those videos? I got copyright strikes. So like a lot of those like spacemen walking videos I had to take down. I fucking hate the copyright system on YouTube. It's so fucking lame. I appreciate the bad news when needed. No pandering bullshit. No unneeded hyperbolic bullshit. Data-backed information viewpoints. 100%, baby. That's what we offer here. No bullshit. No hype anymore. Straight up, DD, baby. Thesis, theories, align with reality, and news. And that's it. I remember that. I didn't like that one, but I kept on listening. I also watched Trades and Uncle Bruce. You have always had hope for GameStop. I gotta be honest that I lost a little hope, but you kept the videos coming. Pretty amazing how this future turned out to be true. Yeah, go. That's not only you, man. That's everyone. Let me tell you, GameStop is amazing when it's running high like it's doing right now. But when it's at its lows, like it's a grind emotionally, especially if you've invested a lot of your money into GameStop. It's sad. I'm not gonna lie, it's rough. So it's not just you. Everyone kind of like questions themselves at a certain point when things are going bad. Like, did I make the right decisions? Did I make the right investment, or was I being carried out by emotions only? So props to you, man, for like holding and being honest about it. It's not easy. Holding being involved in this once in a lifetime opportunity. It's a roller coaster, man. You have your highs like today, and then you have your lows that are just like, what the fuck is happening, bro? Can Moass even happen with the amount of crime that's going on? Sydney says solid information, and you kept it real regardless if it was good or bad. I appreciate that always. That's what I can promise you. That is the only thing that you're gonna get from this channel. Just the truth as I see it. You said that it would be by the end of 2023, and that seemed realistic to me. If it happens this month, you weren't off by a lot. Yeah, I think I remember doing a little bit of digging into that, and I saw another pump happening somewhere in 2023. I think I remember a couple of videos I talked about that. I was off by about half a year at the latest, but we still made it. You had good analysis, and you were using your robot voice. You had a matter-of-fact vibe authority that a guy just kind of rambling doesn't have, even if the content is familiar. Also allows your videos to be concise. I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. The robot was way smarter than other YouTubers. It's about feeling a connection with a person, and it's hard to create that connection when you can't see their face 100%. That is very true. I always trusted your channel more than others, and I thought the robot voice was cool. I appreciate that, David. Thank you. Side Hustle says, I use multiple people to cross-check information and balance what sounded accurate and why. So much bad information, you need sources to agree. I agree with that. I 100% agree with that. You kept it real. Thank you, Crazy. You have explanations. You talk about the company fundamentals and how they relate to the charts. Also, the robot voice would help me fall asleep. I'm not sure that's a compliment, but I'll take it. Hey, size doesn't matter. That's what my girlfriend said. Thank you, Steven. I appreciate that. You guys are fucking hilarious in this comment, man. I love this community. Even though we're small, it's not a popular. We don't get a lot of people in here. The people that we get are just honestly the best people in the community as a whole. Manifoli's Ultimatum Bonorum says informative videos without any plugging of trading courses with limited spots. Yeah, so that whole limited spot is just to create, a sense of urgency to get people to sign up. We have a trading premium subscription service for like just day trading on my Discord, and people make money there. And I can back that up with actual polls that I've run in there. And you can ask anyone. But on my Discord, we have free education, whereas other people will actually charge you like hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to like learn how to trade We have all of that information just for free. We have every single book and finance available to you for you to download in my Discord for free. We have the videos, we have the modules, everything. So yeah, I will never sell a course that says limited spots. That is so cringe. Stop your bullshit. We love the DD, your coverage on a global basis. Something I will never forget. You called it on the Russia's invasion early, I think this summer before it happened. Too many troops on the border. It's not a bluff. Yeah. And you know what I also was calling up earlier? That whole Evergrande situation in China. I remember talking about it early when people were like, it's not going to get too bad. And I was like, it's going to get really bad. And then boom, it happens. What are you on? I did really like the random humor. I thought it was funnier coming from a butt voice and otherwise was serious most of the time. Yeah, I get a lot of people saying that. Like, it's the butt sounds very serious. He's very objective. And then he'll like throw out some random liners in the middle of the video that caught people off guard. Yep, deep dives here since 2021. Simple, informative, and to the point in an easier to understand format than most. Who says, thank you so much, Eric. Deviant Ways, I appreciate those comments, man. Crazy says, I've watched all your videos. I appreciate it, man. Alex and Rex say thank you. Literally one of my favorite channels in regards to this movement. I appreciate it, Sydney. Thank you so much for sticking by. Your DD is amazing. Thank you, Rob. Preston says, just trying to learn. You are in the right place, man. This shit was a crack. Wait, that shit was cracks to me. Johan said, oh my God, I remember Johan. You were in my Discord as well. I remember you, man. I am still all in Amy, but we run together, in my opinion. Apes. Oh, you're talking about AMC, not Amy. I am still all in AMC, but we run together, in my opinion. Apes together strong. I love GameStop. I appreciate you, Johan. We might have different opinions on a couple things here and there, but in the end of the day, I never wish for like anyone to lose their money. So as long as you are diversified, you have good investments, and you are a normal, decent human being that's nice to other people and respectful and trying to educate, and, you know, spread love and information and DD, you are top tier in my book. Crazy says Lou was entertaining. Yeah, for a lot of people he was. I never liked the guy, but you know, he just wasn't my thing. But you know, I know he had a big fan base. So how about AMC? Does it make sense to hold with negative 70%? Personally, I moved like my money last August away from AMC because I knew it was going to be diluted over and over and over, and that's exactly what happens. And I knew I had to safeguard my investment, so I put that money back in GameStop. I do want to buy more AMC. It's just I can't buy it with shares being potentially added over and over again as Adam Aaron tries to, like, you know, make up money. Let's see. Hey guys, pay attention. Fidelity is revealing its true colors right now. I'm on the West Coast. Someone in the East Coast, please confirm this. Thanks. I have no idea what you're talking about personally. Like, are they halting people from buying GameStop or AMC? Like, what's happening? Because if you think it's bad, you say it's bad. If you think it's good, you will tell us that. My feeling was your honesty. I appreciate that, man. Always, Pat. Weston says, I chose you because you was more real and spoke about the truth and not stuff to hype us up. I've been here from the beginning of your videos. Let's fucking go. I appreciate it, Weston. Appreciate you, man. I was casually following until you covered the housing market shenanigans. Been here ever since. That's what's up, man. And have you seen what's happened with the whole real estate world? Like the amount of problems that industry has is insane right now. Corporate real estate is an absolute shithole right now. Let me see. Oh my God, I scrolled down. Let me see, where am I? Where did I leave? Here we go. He was alright, just making videos. I sold my GameStop 50 GameStop today after finally being above my average. I know it will come back down tomorrow, and then I will buy back, and that's what's up, bro. Lou was right about AA. When is the next dip, though? Who knows? I don't think it's gonna be I think tomorrow we pump a little bit, but I don't know if we're really gonna pump like crazy, because I know the SEC and everyone else is gonna be trying to defeat the price action. No more diamond hints. I learned my lesson last run, though. That's up with you, man. No problem with that. GameStop and AMC, this thing's not for everyone. And if you feel like you want to cash out on your investment and move on to something else, absolutely. More power to you for knowing that you cannot and don't want to keep on holding GameStop. I mean, this thing is just a thing of its own. Nothing like this has ever happened. So do what's good for you. Do what's best for you. That's what I tell people. I don't put pressure on people to like buy and hold something that they don't even like or that they're uncertain of. Scott Merb says, I just kept watching to see where the robot was actually going. Your information always seemed the most logical and authentic and not part of the hype train. People need both sides of the view. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, man. I've been holding for 4 years. I can't sell till the moon because of the capital gains bracket. And I now sit in, haha. That's what's up, man. Will GameStop rage in the after hours? I hope so. So far, it's looking pretty timid, though. But, you know, anything can change. We might start seeing a little bit of a breakout here soon. I mean, it's kind of resting on the resistance level, so we might get a pump upwards of $50 later on. We'll see. Me, it's good. Chill, you are you. Trust yourself. What's your average buy order? Oof. Lately, I was waiting for the stock to actually dip down below $10, but I feel like that's gonna take months, if not over a year, for it to happen. In the event that we don't Moass, but I don't feel comfortable buying above $10 in my opinion. I want to buy when it's super cheap, when it's super down, not when it's pumping up on hype. I've learned my lesson. Let me see after hours time. Love it. We want the robot. Nothing against you. Crazy. I don't blame you. You sound like a Spanish dude who just went to college at an early age. I love the bud, but both do different, not good. Ding ding ding, you sound awesome. Maybe have a reason to do both, but hold on, I thought this was a robot voice. I can't distinguish. I love the robot voice. Reminds me of 3 years ago. Character very different, but whatever you feel comfortable doing. One voice for one kind of content and another for the other type. That's what I feel like I'm going to be doing going forward. Rex, where are you from? Cool voice. I am from Miami, so like my voice is all over the place. A lot of people, because like if you're from Miami, there's so many people from like all parts of the world, like you don't really develop like an accent or a tonality, a way of speaking, the words that you pick up on. Like you don't develop anything that's like regional to Miami, because you're just kind of like exposed to like everyone from like people in South America, Central America, Europe, Africa, Asia. Like Miami's just, you know, that spot in the world where like everyone from everywhere is at. So I get that a lot. But yeah, I am from Miami. Hammocks for those of you Miami Dade. But now I live in Tampa though. I prefer Tampa over Miami. Miami's an absolute mess. Let me see. The robot voice gives vibes of factuality, authority, and scripting allows you to be short and concise. I agree with that. Your voice is more connecting and great to nurture community, but perhaps there's a place for the robot voice too. Maybe a separate series where you get serious or deep, or do deep DD, and that's where you use the bot. Yeah, I might do that actually. Some of your videos with your voice just sound kind of timid. Whatever you are doing right now, though, sounds good. Yeah, because now I'm lively. I am alive, baby, on a stream. You should show your face. You do you, bro. I have been following you since 2021. Please confirm Fidelity is allowing you to buy and sell anything right now. Yes, they are. I can confirm that. Me, GME close at 46.46. Do you think the buy low opportunity at 26 before Kitty exercises options is gone? Nope, I don't think that. When would you get in this When would you get in at this point? I'm waiting for a dip below, at least, to be honest, at least below $17 at the minimum. Ideally below $10. GameStop is on a 24-hour market. Yep, you can check up with Robinhood after 8 p.m. and see where the price is trading at. I need to show my wife your voice so she knows I wasn't getting scammed by an AI. That's funny as hell, Alex. I used to watch only you and Lou for comedic purposes, but you're the realist. All other fake YouTubers are sellouts. What made you start the channel? I felt like the reason why I started the channel was I just wanted to talk about AMC and like disclose what I was learning in regards to like due diligence. And then over time I figured out that I had a little bit of a mission given the amount of people that actually did subscribe to my channel. And I said, you know what, my purpose in this whole thing, right, is going to be to like inform people of information that is not biased, that is not manipulated to create any sort of specific feeling, to validate people's opinions and what they want things to be. It's just going to be pure facts. And that's kind of like what I've been doing since when was it, March 2021, since then. And you know, because of that, I've lost a lot of people on my channel. I've lost like 5,000 6,000 people, subscribers, over the past year or so. But also I feel like the people that have remained consistent watching my content have always been real, and they kind of back up, and they remain, you know, watching videos because of that outlook as to like how I should operate my channel. So that's kind of like why. That's the reason why I started the channel, and sort of the reason why I stay making videos. Because like, let me tell you, making videos sucks. I hate making YouTube content. But you know, I feel like I have a lot of responsibility over you guys, and like informing you guys over time, because you know, there's a lot of really bad information out there, and I want to make sure that you guys are getting, you know, your facts right. Let me see. I like the robot voice was the best because of the constant, because it was constant and my brain got used to it. Yeah, I feel like that's a lot of people actually. I bought 10 shares at $15 each, and I am happy about it. I'm just wondering when to pull out. Whenever you want. If you're day trading, if you're trading GameStop right now, pull out. Make sure you develop a plan and sort of like develop some levels, see where the support and resistance are, and if it starts going down, breaking that support level, then just sell out. Keep it simple. Make sure that before you take a trade, make sure that you guys are aware of like the levels where you would ideally want to pull out. Let me see. Yeah, I hate it. Give me the robot. Ha ha ha. Joking aside, do you, bro? We're still here and we ain't leaving. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Who is buying puts on this pump to make money for real shares when it comes down? I have no idea. I did like Lou's walks around in stories. I also loved Lou's seething hatred for Adam Aaron. He hated him. I thought he liked him. I never heard about that. But again, I never followed him, so I don't have a lot to say on that and back it up. As long as you keep on talking, we don't care what your voice sounds like. Let me see. Honestly, the videos remind me of my old school MTV intros. I mean, I love MTV. Back in the day, not now. Lou was right about AA, aka popcorn, LOL. Yeah. Now you can probably just have an AI make the walking and driving sequences. Yeah, probably can. What happened to Rowan Capital? He's been MIA lately. I have no idea, man. Maybe he's got some things happening in his life, or maybe he just decided to move on, you know, like Trey as well. I heard Trey just moved on from AMC content, and that was it, you know. It's okay for them to leave as well if they don't want to keep on doing this, you know. If their heart is not in it anymore, then just go do something else, you know. Opinions on whether it's going to go back down really low? I hope so. Not in the near term, but like in the long term towards August, if nothing else happens, then yeah, probably it's gonna come down. It's gonna start leveling down a little bit. Right now, it's just running up on, you know, on hype. I could not stand Lou doing the retard thing. Yeah, I remember that retard thing, and it was like the intro where he'll put the two fingers in front of his face and then just kind of like swipe to the right or to the left. Yeah, I remember that. Trade Trades was paid to promote stocks. I heard that from Matt Kors. Is that legit info? I have no idea. I don't even follow Matt Kors, to be honest. Let me see. You are the one that's kept it real and owned to mistakes. It's been a rough journey. Yeah, I agree with that. I've made a lot of mistakes throughout my quote unquote YouTube career, right? But yeah, no, I fully agree with that. Dude, I've been watching you since 3 years ago. A client of mine with MS, is that Microsoft? With MS when I was, oh no, that's actually MS. A client of mine with MS, the condition, when I was personal training them, introduced me to the memes. And you 3 years ago, it's been one hell of a ride, man. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. I've got another $500 I want to invest, but I'm not gonna do it at $45 a share. Smart man. Yeah, I'm not buying at 45 either. I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and then just if it actually starts going down, that's when I'm probably gonna start thinking about buying. But I'm not gonna buy at peak. That's just retarded. I know. I've been following this play for a while. If this is not Moass, it's 100% gonna come down over the next couple of weeks or months. Dylan, let me see. Dylan, wait a couple of days. Shortest will bring it down. Yeah. Oh, you're talking to Dylan. Yeah. Dylan, just wait a couple of days. The shortest will bring it down. Yeah. I agree with that. Just hold on to what you have and just let it do its thing. The last few years have been the hardest in my life, but I never sold. I've been accumulating more shares. Now let's fucking go. That's what's up, bro. That's what you guys get for holding. Averaging down when it went all the way down to $10 was a tough challenge. Yep, I agree with that. That guy Fatal says tomorrow is probably a deep red day. Yeah, I can see that. The SEC is going to ensure that we don't go too crazy though. So I align with that. I should probably pull my shares if it goes under 35 again at any point. Yep, that's up to you. I've watched your videos since 21. I always watch all of your videos. You seem like one of the smartest guys in the room. I was thrilled to find you going live. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, girl. Smoke shop girl. Thank you so much. Oh man, I love the robot voice. Put tomorrow FOMO. The amount of paper hands in here is scary. This is nothing. Keep calm, buy and hold. Someone mistakes your content as ASMR. The robot voice made my nuggets hard. That's hilarious. AMC is going to squeeze too. Yeah, probably it's going to follow to a certain degree. Would you trade GameStop at this point? Nope. Let me see. Louis says, you are part of the reason people lose their savings. You think so, Louis? Why is that? Diamond-handed apes gather around the world. Danish ape here. DK. MC is too diluted. I agree with that. How much is the Discord? The Discord is free for you to join, man. Just come in and say hi. Yep, I remember that Evergrande. Jesus Christ, that was ages ago. Yep. Louis Vuitton, I mean, put in what you think you can afford. If you do more, it's on you. Do you think the price will go up when the Roaring Kitty is doing his streams tomorrow? Probably, yeah. If what Roaring Kitty says tomorrow is like really bullish, I guarantee you that the stock price is going to move up. If he incites people with a thesis that is very, it resounds to like what people want to hear, 100%. 100%. Don't you think there will be another ramp up with expiration date schedule for calls? We could have that, yeah. I actually talked about that on my Discord. Borna says he didn't sell a single thing. Yep, he hasn't. He's been through and through with us. He's been honestly, like a real diamond hand. I'm not gonna lie. Holding $180 million, you know, on a risky investment like GameStop is crazy. It just shows you how committed he is, you know. Is this going to be sell the news a sell the news moment, like when Elon went on Saturday Night Live for and then Dodge sold off? It could be. Again, who knows? I don't think he's gonna try to do that, but the markets might not react to like what's actually happening. So what he might say on GameStop might be really bullish, and then the market kind of like sells it off because they're gonna be like, oh, it's priced in. Sell the news. Buy the rumor. Sell the news. Tomorrow, the Roaring Kitty's gonna exercise his calls live on YouTube. Oh my god, that would be crazy. Yeah. Kitty update. AA is a snake. Loss with pleasure. There will be losses in a war. This is a fight for a free and fair market. I 100% agree with that, George. My family lost everything in 2008. No sell, no sell. GME, AMC to the moon, baby. That's what I want to hear. Looking forward to his live tomorrow. Yeah, me too. Buying calls tomorrow to sell on the hype of the live stream. Yup. Buy more so that you can be stimulated. Simulate, kitty. Yeah. And when Moass. When is Moass? I would love to have that. Yeah. I would love to know that. I would love to know when Moass is. And yeah, I read all of those comments. Holy shit, I am out of breath. My throat hurts. I need to drink some water. I heard it was at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Let me see. When is he streaming? Let me see. The Roaring Kitty. Yeah, I see it here. It's going to be tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. 12 p.m. Eastern Time. That's the date. That's the date. That is the date. Let me see. Anybody know if Andrew Mo is still doing the GME AMC content? I have no idea. I don't even know who Andrew Mo is. Are you talking about the guy on the board on GameStop, or is it another celebrity? You aren't missing much, yeah. Lorian dude, yeah, I have no idea, man. Should I stream tomorrow when there aren't kitties actually streaming? And just kind of like put his stream on my stream? I don't think you can do that. I don't think I'm going to do that. I don't want to rob him of like quote unquote would-be viewers. That's kind of shitty. But I should make a video about like the things he talked about and, you know, kind of like sum up what he said. He would rip content from Super Sunk and just read it verbatim on his channel. Oh, shit. Yeah, I don't know who that is. What if he exercised and literally nothing happened with the price? Oof. Then 100%, that's just more evidence that suggests that how GameStop is so rigged. If he has $29+ million and he exercises that and nothing happens to the price, that is just more evidence showing how corrupt the system is and how broken the stock markets are. If anything, it just proves our point even more. Nothing against him personally, just seem underhanded. Yeah, I have no idea. Bro's gonna have 200 million viewers. Yeah, he'll be okay. I don't know. I'll see what happens. If other people are doing it, then I'll do it as well. And I just won't monetize the live, so that it's not, you know, so it's not disrespectful like that, you know. He already has about 15 million people in his chat box waiting, and it doesn't start for another 19 hours. That is crazy. I wonder what his exit plan is. Is he going to rug or sell slowly? Say he exercised. Say he exercised how big good GameStop actually gets. Yeah, I agree with that. He's going live. Yeah, he's going live tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern time. 15,000. Does he have 15,000 people watching right now? Let me see. Yeah, he has 15,000 people waiting right now. He's not even kidding. Look. That's on his live right now. That is crazy. Mark my words, he will hold his options and then he will buy more shares. Deep fucking Valley didn't sell a single option today. That is crazy. Yeah, I agree with that. Oh yeah, he just posted an update, guys. Holy fucking shit! Check this out. You guys want to see? He just made he just posted something on Jesus Christ, dude. Give me a second, boys. He just posted on Supersonk. He has $500 million. Holy shit, look. Look. This is the Roaring Kitty's new position. Look at this shit. That is crazy. Right here. Let me just move here. He hasn't sold a single thing. 5 million shares, 120,000 calls. Yeah. His calls are up 375%. And he's made $256 million. He's up. He's in total valuation on this investment alone is worth $586.5 million. Jesus fucking Christ. This dude is on another level. Can you imagine making $250 million in a single day? $250 million. And you're just kind of like chilling. You're kind of like chilling, you know, on your computer. Just like, just $250 million. Not a big deal. That is absolutely insane. That is crazy. Man, if I had that kind of money, I would sit down and take a nap. Like a boss. Well, now I feel poor. Yeah. Yeah. Crazy. Like a boss. Yeah, poor for now, bro. Can I get 0.01% of that? He should exercise his options and roll it into AMC and run that one up. I don't think he gives a fuck about AMC, to be honest. He's never talked about it. I think he's just kind of like, you know, who cares about it? Who cares about who cares about AMC? I'm here for GameStop. And like, what do you call it? Superstonk is going absolutely crazy over this. Let's just go through the Superstonk. Let's go through the Reddit. Give me a second. Let me change the window capture. All right. Let me see. Wait, that is not it. Give me a second, boys. Let me see here real quick. Where is it? I clicked the wrong one, I think. Let me see. Give me a second. So we are here on the live. Let's see. Let's see where we're at. Let me just move this over here. Give me a second, boys. I'm about to pop one. I'm about to open it up. I think I had the wrong one. There we go. I think I got it. Let me see. And I'm trying to put the thing, but it's not going through. What the hell? Let me see. GME YOLO. Yeah, it's just not taking. What the hell, bro? I am so annoyed. Oh my god. Ugh, shit, I don't think it's gonna take it. Let me see. Yeah, it's just not updating. There we go. Finally. Holy shit. God damn. I found it, boys. Here we go. Let me see. Give me a second. We're about to go through that whole comment section. Let me see. All right. We are set, boys. Here we go. Keith, you absolute legend. Can't wait to see your stream tomorrow. Holy shit. $586 million. Couldn't have caused a price movement. Not a single call executed. No shares added to his position. Yep. Citron Research. Yeah, this guy, the guy that was shorting GameStop, he has to be down significantly today. This is the greatest thing that has ever come from Reddit. Congrats, you magnificent motherfucker. Yep, deep fucking value. Deepest fucking value I've ever witnessed. Let's fucking go. Commenting on his for history. He's still in. What's an exit strategy? Yep. What is an exit strategy indeed? That is crazy. Bad Atlas Gaming. What's going on, man? Welcome. He clearly has lawyers 100%. Oh yeah, 100%. Everything he does, everything he's doing has been, you know, discussed with a legal team 100%. He can afford it. He can afford a good lawyer. That's for sure. Pressure plus time. Yeah, this is crazy, man. Having $500 million is insane. And making $500 million from just 50,000 is just even crazier. Nearly 600 million. Holy moly. Yeah, seeing the scale of this thing playing out is just truly incredible. The red banana is going to be in the textbooks. Yep. I am so glad to be here witnessing history. We ride at dawn. Let's go. Billion soon. About to become a self-made billionaire. Yeah, that is 100% true. Unlike most of the idiots who start out with a massive capital from their insanely rich parents. Jack to the tits. King. Good Lord, we love you, man. From 53,000, that is the craziest thing. From 53,000 to over $500 million. Look at that. That is just crazy. That is just insane, dude. Holy shit. God damn. And I thought I was a good trader and investor. Holy fuck. I am nothing compared to this guy. He never sold a single stock. Yeah, he can just borrow against his position. So I feel like he will never sell. I agree with that. Yep. Ryan Cohen about to be the richest man on earth. I think deep fucking value has him beat. I'm not gonna lie. I think deep fucking value, his potential to like really pump, you know, the stock is significantly higher, and to be even richer than Ryan Cohen, even more so. Even more so. That is just absolutely insane. What do you guys think, though? Let me see. I'll never sell stock. Yep. He didn't tell them to go and buy GameStop. I agree with you on that end, Joel. Yeah, a lot of people are going to place a lot of blame on him for like pumping and dumping a stock, but like he hasn't dumped. He's not pumping the stock. He just simply bought it and he's holding. By the way, that's my Discord link for you guys that haven't joined. Make sure you guys click that link. We have a lot of stuff happening on the Discord right now. Make sure you guys click it. Come in and join us because you definitely do not want to miss out on what's happening over there right now. Da-da-da. He's only pumping. Let me see. How much is one of his options worth right now? I have no idea. It would have to like divide it by 120,000. Ryan Cohen has more money than the Tate bros and didn't even sell his soul to the porn industry. I agree with that. Andrew Tate is just a fucking wannabe clown who's just kind of like going around the world trying to, you know, catch an impressionable audience made up of like fucking teenagers to like pump out his like bullshit rhetoric about like women should be in the kitchen making me a sandwich. He's so fucking cringe, man. He's so fucking cringe. He said some like really smart thing. He said some smart stuff about like, you know, what was it? It was like about becoming the best version of yourself, you know, for like to men, because he speaks to men most of the time. Yeah, he talks about like, you know, be the best version of yourself, be ambitious, you know, be grindful, go to the gym, be healthy, eat well, that kind of stuff. I 100% back him up. Everything else is just fucking cringe to listen to. Is Jim Cramer really going to go on live TV sucking a horse? What? I thought that was a meme. Best version of yourself equals buy my course. Yep. I agree with that. That is exactly what he means. That is 100% what he means. Let me see. Yeah, the stream tomorrow, the stream he's gonna do is absolutely insane. That thing is gonna get like at least 500,000 views. Let me see. When is the stream? It's going to be tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern time. The GameStop run today calls for a victory wank. Somebody send me $1 million so I can invest in GameStop, please. 500,000 people buying at the same time. LOL. What's your Cash App? I got you. Guys, if you want to make money... is anyone here a day trader? By the way, we have about 288 people still watching the stream. That is crazy. Are any of you day traders, or are all of you just kind of like investors? Yes, a bad one, but yes. When I have time, but mainly investing, yeah. I need 8 shares. I scalped 2,500 today from GameStop. Nice. I scalped NQ on futures. I'm retired at 32 from trading. That's what's up, BM. Great job, man. I bought again at 40. That's how confident I am. That's what's up, bro. It seems we have a lot of traders in here. Holy shit. That's what's up. Let me see. Day trading is pretty much a full-time job unless you utilize a stop. Unless you utilize a stop loss, sell limit, and we all know how those go. J trader while at work. So would it be a bad idea to buy GameStop tomorrow? It's up to you, man. I'm not gonna buy, but it's up to you guys. And yeah, I am an NQ trader, but I use prop firms, not my own capital. That's smart. That's what's up. I think Apex has that 90% of evals at the moment. You guys want to see my day trades? You guys want to see my alerts on you guys want to see the alerts I've made day trading this past week? You guys want to see my port? Let me see. All right, let's see. I'm going to show you just the alerts I've put out. This is going to blow your mind. Check this out. Give me a second. Hold on. Believing. Check this out. Where is my OBS? Give me a second, boys. I'm going to go grab a cup of water and I'll be right back. Just give me like a minute. All right, I am back. All right, let's see where we're at. All right, let's see window capture. Let's go to Discord real quick. These are all my day trades, people. Check this out. This morning I alerted to all of these, but if you look back, and the bag signs are people that alert to them taking profits. The twos are people that played the alert twice. The check marks are people that either made a profit or just that they just entered the position. And look at this. It's pretty consistent. Almost everyone makes money in here. Almost everyone makes money. We just trade SPY, Nvidia. We play Tesla, Apple sometimes. There are alerts every single day of the week. Check this out. I put up this poll because we also have. I'm gonna show you guys something even crazier than this. Because these are my own alerts, but I created a couple algorithm bots. And check this out. So we have 19 people. Took this poll. The majority of them are not trading the bot alerts, but the ones that did, about 85% of them are taking profits, are making profits. This day was rough, but still, we kind of like broke even. See, people just take fucking, profits all day long on this thing. We also alert to stocks on the penny market, and we play penny stocks, all the time in the morning. The alerts are out between like 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. So you can see, for the most part, most people make money. There's a couple like red alerts here and there, but for the most part, people make money. Easy stuff. Easy stuff. Let me see. Oh shit, someone gifted me. What is that? 5 memberships? That's what's up. I don't even know how that works. How does that work? What does that membership do? I have no idea. I don't live stream that much, man. I have no idea how this goes. TG, GG. Who are all these people that just came in? That's what's up. Did someone just share my live stream or something? I was like, where did all these people come from? You got rated by Jackie's channel. GG from Jackie. Who's Jackie? Wait, who's Jackie? That's what's up, though. I'm not complaining. What is Jackula Tits? Who is that? Let me see. I'm about to search this up. Are we being rated, boys? I'm not complaining. Jackula Tits. Who is that? Oh my god. A bunch of fucking porno came up. Everyone like and sub. Let's see if you guys are actually real. Make sure everyone click that like button. Let's see if like all these people that are coming in are actually real, or if it's just fucking spam bots. I have no idea. I'm not complaining though. This is more viewers. Might hype up the channel. Let's see. We have about 338 people watching. We've had 3,000 views. We are real. Now we are real. Who's Jackie, bro? Wait, what? Jackie feeling good, spreading the GME love. Nope, love from Jack. Who's Jackie? Someone link me on my Discord, Jackie's channel, or his live stream or whatever. Jackie Tits. Who is that? I have no idea who that is. I've never even heard of that. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. What did he say? Jackie, this Jackie guy. What did he say about me? What did he say about me that everyone just kind of like flooded in? He sent us with love. That's what's up. Let me see. Let me see. He's showing love to GME live streamers. Ah, okay. So he's just kind of like looking around and picking up on people that are also streaming, like GameStop and stuff. Chat recommended multiple GME YouTubers live right now to gift. Well, I appreciate whoever sent that 5 memberships. I don't even know what that is. I gotta look into that. I remember like setting something up on my YouTube like months ago, but then I got demonetized, and I mean, I don't even make money on YouTube. But no, I appreciate everyone that just dropped by. But yeah, as I was saying, for like people that are actually like, people that are day traders, make sure you guys join my Discord, because like we put up a lot of plays, man. And a lot of people that play these, as you can see, a lot of that money that they derive, they just put it back into GameStop and other investments as well. So The Discord's free for everyone. I'm gonna put a link in the chat. I already put up. Let me see. Where's my notepad? I'm gonna put the link in the comment section. Make sure you guys join us, and that's what's up. Jocular Tits, appreciate it. Jocular Tits, I have no idea who that is. I gotta like check up his channel or something. Is he still like finding people that are talking about like GameStop and stuff? I never heard about him. That's crazy. Is he new? Let me see. Let me see. Yes, no. Jackie Rocks. Follow him. I'll check him out tonight. Subscribed and liked. Something from Jackie. Was he watching my live stream, or was he just like randomly looking through the YouTube search for like anyone talking about GameStop? And just hang in there, friends. His party is just getting started. We looked you up. Oh, really? That's what's up. We just mentioned you in the chat. That's what's up. I have no idea who that. I gotta check him out. I've never even heard of him. What does he talk about? Just GameStop? Or is he like a day trader as well? Kind of like just moving around. Let me see. Showing love for everyone supporting GameStop. Someone from our chat recommended you. Really? That's interesting. Let me see. No, he's currently doing the live stream and asked to like you. Is he doing that? Is he doing that with other people as well? Is he just asking people to like join other people's lives and like bomb them essentially? He's talking and has been covering GameStop for years now. That's what's up. I'm happy to hear that. We need as many people talking about GameStop as possible. Yes, he did just now. He only picked 3 people. Did he say he watches my content? Did he say he likes my content, or is he just randomly picking them like without even knowing what they're talking about? Nice to meet you, Ballas. Welcome in. Welcome in. Why does GameStop never show up in Wall Street Bets trending tickers? Because the mods on what do you call it, on the Wall Street Bets sub banned GameStop. They banned it. Yeah, they're fucking shills, man. It's fucking pieces of shit, honestly. He's just making rounds saying hello. Okay, I see. GameStop. GME is going off. Oh, wait. Is it? Is it? We're about to see. Let's see, boys. Holy shit, it is going off. It just blew up a little bit. Not too much, but it did go up to like 48. Holy shit, boys. We are in for tomorrow, man. Holy cow. This thing is just fucking crazy. I get the feeling that GameStop is gonna like potentially run like crazy. Even after like the Roaring Kitty starts talking. Even after his stream, I feel like this thing is gonna like blow up, you know what I mean? I'm gonna put some background music because I forgot to do that earlier today. Let me see. Holy shit. Oh my god. It's actually moving. Here we go, boys. We are squeezing in the fucking aftermarket. That is crazy. Holy shit. Oh my god. Here we go. Here we go. If we can break that resistance right now, we're gonna make a new high on this. How high can we go? Let's see how high we can go. Let me just move the OG stats down here at the bottom. How high can we go? Let me see. Today's low was that. $68. Holy shit. We could actually go to 68. If we move to 68 tonight, guys, tomorrow morning, this thing is probably going to run past $80. And I'm not even being, you know, I'm not even exaggerating or anything. If we move past 68 or even 60, this thing is primed to make a new high on a year. That is absolutely insane. You sound like an authentic person. Yeah, I've been talking about GameStop for years now, man. Squeeze. What about AMC? Let's check out AMC. Let me see. I'm gonna put AMC right here. Why is it? Yeah, go ahead. Holy shit, AMC's fucking going crazy right now. Are you guys looking at this? Look at that thing. Oh shit, boys. We are, oh my god, we are set. We are primed right now. Holy AMC. On no news, yeah. There are no news right now. Guys, join my Discord. Holy shit. I see a lot of people like DMing me. Like I said, just join my Discord. If you guys have questions about GameStop, if you guys want to talk about day trading stocks or like investments like GameStop and other ones, just join my Discord. It's gonna put a link right there at the bottom in the chat. Click it. It's free for everyone. Let me just move this thing over here because it's in the way. Holy shit, AMC. Are you guys looking at AMC right now? Oh my god, we are moving, boys. Oh my god, I should have bought the dip. I was talking about this earlier. I was like, nah, I don't want to buy high, but like, fuck, it's moving. Is this a margin call? And you guys want to see something crazy? You guys want to see some real fucking porno shit? Let me see. What's his name? Who's the guy that shorted AMC? GameStop. I made a video about him the other day. Let me see. Give me a second. I'm about to pull his ass up. Oh my god, you guys see Gary Gensler? This is Gary Gensler today, this morning. Look at this guy. Look at this clown. That's me tonight watching GameStop. That is me tonight. Yeah, that's me. He knows me. Gary knows me because that's what I'm going to be doing tonight, watching AMC and GameStop. Carlos, it's been a long ride, but my God, it is glorious. Yeah, man. It's fucking insane. Guys, if you are new to the chat, to the video, to the channel, subscribe. And if you don't mind, like the video. Let's keep GameStop trending, please. Let's keep it trending. Keep this bad boy trending. Let's keep it up. Just smash that like button, comment something, say anything. Citron Research, talk about GameStop, anything. I'm going to be reading comments like crazy. Citron Research, yeah. Here we go. This is the guy that was crying on live TV the other day. Oh, he made a post today about GameStop. Let's see. When Keith Gill testified during the GameStop hearings, he stated, "My investment in GameStop and my posts on social media were entirely my own." Can he still say the same now? He also concluded with, "And what's stunning is that, as far as I can tell, the market remains oblivious to GameStop's unique opportunity within the gaming industry." Does he still believe that now? It seems Katie has transitioned from a relatable investor who eagerly shared his investment insights into just another rich stock promoter with a flashy car collection. What are you talking about? What flashy car collection? Nobody's known about the Roaring Kitty for fucking years, man. Is this guy just fucking making up bullshit? Like, how can he say that that Keith Gill is being flashy with his money? How is he being flashy? This guy is such a fucking shill. Oh my god. You know what it is, boys? He's jealous as fuck. I'm not gonna lie to you. This guy is jealous. This guy is jealous. And yes, I had to make a new Twitter account. Because I have, on my Discord channel, I have the... Oh my god, I have the bot. I have a bot that puts all the news. Yeah, this guy's a fucking clown, man. What the fuck? Let me see. I know the guy, Andrew Lev. He was almost... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. He was like almost crying on TV. It was so fucking pathetic. I was like, what the fuck? Let me see. Oh, he's shorting. Yeah, he fucking deserves to be fucking poor, boys. Let him know in the comment section. You deserve to be fucking poor. Stay toxic, boys. Stay fucking toxic. Nah, don't bully him that much, but do let him know he's fucking wrong about everything. Fucking bum, bro. In fact, you know what I'm gonna do? Oh my god, I'm about to get fucking... I'm about to get fucking banned for this. Someone posted a picture of him earlier. Let me see. Give me a second, boys. What a fucking loser, man. Can you imagine seeing a stock move up and then like your immediate thought is just like, you know what, let's just short it and then just go on social media and talk about how and make up bullshit about the guy who's mostly associated with that, so that I can later on cry about how I have been abused and bullied on social media. This is him right here in one of the interviews where he was actually like on the verge of tears. We're gonna keep that up right there because we want to remind ourselves of what not to become ever in life. This is peak bottom in life right there. Don't become that guy ever. I'm liking your channel so far. Great attitude. I appreciate it, Dizzle. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Reddit hurt his feelings. Yeah, he you know what it is? I feel like this guy just wants attention like really, really bad. Because it's okay, like, okay, you think the stock is overvalued and then you think it's gonna go down. That happens in the market. It's normal. So short it. Boom. That's it. He not only does that, right? He just goes on TV and starts talking about how he's being bullied, how the community is toxic, how now he's making up bullshit about how the Roaring Kitty's flashing his car collection. What fucking car collection, bro? How do you know what Kitty is doing with his life, what he owns? We don't know anything about the Roaring Kitty. We're going to see him for the first time after like 3 years tomorrow. And you can just tell this guy's just... He's jealous. This is pure jealousy right here. This is peak bottom right here. Bottom of the barrel fucking clown. Oh, yeah. Shorting unlimited risk. Yep. And he was like shorting GameStop for days now. You know what I mean? Like, the stock is at 49 right now, but if he opened his position anywhere near this level, like at the $19, the $20 mark, oh, he's cooked. You know those margin calls are going to be coming in pretty soon. It's like, hey, you start closing that bullshit up, because, you know, you have to close your bullshit. Oh my God, GameStop. It's running again, boys. Here we go. Here we fucking go. Make sure you guys are fucking smashing that like button. Please smash that like button. Let's get this thing trending, boys. We might reach $60 again live. Holy shit. I am so fucking excited. Let's go. How do you, what did you say on my Discord? Let me open up this private. What did you say? How do you open? Guys, what is a YouTube membership? What do you do that? Is that like when you like sign up to like support like a little Patreon on your YouTube? How do you do that? Live message. I don't know. I don't know how to guide you to like become a member, man. I have no idea how to do that. Sorry. Just hit the like button. I don't know. I don't even know what that does. Yeah, no. GameStop is looking fucking phenomenal right now. Here we go. Is anyone watching Bad Boys 4 at AMC? I'm not watching that. I'm not gonna lie. I think I already have one, War Doctor. I don't know how to like, you know, sub to that. I know someone did earlier, but he gifted like 5 memberships. But I don't know what that means. I don't know how you can gift a membership. I do YouTube and I don't even know how this fucking thing works. I don't know. Lazier, welcome. Hello everyone. I cannot wait for 82. My average price. Holy shit, man. Damn, you are high. It's like having an OnlyFans for GameStop only live streamers. Yeah. What the fuck is happening with AMC? Is Adam Aaron diluting again? Did Adam Aaron press the sell button again for the billionth time? Is he diluting? You should average down. Yeah, I've been averaging down, man, for years now. I am so cooked on AMC. My average price is $91. Bro, what the fuck have you been doing? Timothy, speak up. I need to hear this, man. Your average price on AMC is 91. How much money do you have in it? If you have a small amount, then who gives a fuck? But if you have like a bulk of money in there, what the fuck, bro? I wouldn't be surprised that he's killing every single run. Yeah, he's probably gonna. What is happening with AMC? Because GameStop's holding up pretty well, but this thing is like looking like it wants to pull back. And I know there are no goddamn sellers in this bitch right now. Is that the average before the split? I have no idea. Yeah, is that the average before the split? 91, good lord. I call BS. I have 1.5 on AMC. Not worried. I lost about $9,000 on AMC. Holy shit. And invested about a third of my portfolio in GameStop. AA can suck it. Yep, he can suck it. Yep, I agree with that. Is he diluting? Let me just fucking check on the internet real quick. Because like, if this guy's diluting, I'm about to go crazy on this stream. We're about to go wild, boys. We're about to go wild. Wild. Let me see. Probably not. It's just probably like people taking profits. God damn. Let me see. AMC is so cooked. Let me see. Yeah. So far, we're looking really, really good. Let me just open that up. Let me just turn this yellow. Yeah, it'll be better that way. Let me see. I'm watching this. I just added 1 milli. I'm just adding 1 milli to GameStop. Guys, you want to know something crazy? If the Roaring Kitty reaches this price level right here tomorrow, 69, he will officially have turned $50,000, $53,000 to be precise, into $1 billion. Let me say that again. If we reach 69 tomorrow on GameStop, the Roaring Kitty, Keith Gill, the GOAT trader of all time, he would have turned $53,000, their typical average household income in the US, into $1 billion. Think about that for a second. Think about that for 1 fucking second. That is insane. That is just absolutely insane. Holy AMC, what the fuck is happening with this shit? Holy AMC. Is he fucking diluting? I just want to make sure, because like I don't know with this Animarian guy. You never know with him. New folk versus the vets. Oh yeah, I am so stoked for noon tomorrow. I wasn't able to get in here today. What are your thoughts on what's going to be tomorrow? I feel like during the stream, the Roaring Kitty's going to talk about his GameStop thesis. He's going to talk about why he's bullish, what he would ideally want to hear and see from the company, and he might even check this out, boys. You guys want to know what a fucking insane play could be tomorrow? If the Roaring Kitty hops on the stream and says, you know what we're going to do today, boys? We're going to exercise calls on GameStop. Can you imagine if the Roaring Kitty exercises his calls on GameStop tomorrow, live on stream? Imagine that. Imagine for a second. It is over, bro. This thing, vertical, shoots up. The SEC is going to have a tough time taming this thing down. We're going to make 2021 look like nothing. Yeah, if he exercises those calls tomorrow, it is a nuclear bomb. This thing just goes insane. He already has over $14,000 in his chat. Who are you talking about? Oh, you're talking about the amount of people. Yeah, he had like 15,000 earlier. It was absolutely insane. He's probably going to get about 500,000 to like 1 million people watching his stream live. That's going to be epic. Yeah, tomorrow's going to be crazy, guys. I don't even know what I'm going to do, man. If he exercises, it's over. It is over, boys. Roaring Kitty is about to destroy the entire market. And I am so here for it. I am so here for it. Dude, if he did that live, it would be monumental. I would actually like go insane with calls tomorrow. I would buy the entire fucking float as well, because I'm about to make a lot of money on that. There's my link for my Discord for everyone that's interested in day trading. That is GameStop. We have a large community of GameStop investors in there, so make sure you guys join. I kind of suspect to see a multiple day wick ticker suspension. I can picture locks and GameStop down. Yeah. If the Roaring Kitty exercises a lot of his calls tomorrow. I fully agree with you on that end, Rich. My bad. Yeah, I fully expect that. I expect the market to potentially halt GameStop, like fully for like the entire day. They are going to interfere. This is what a lot of people are not realizing, that what's happening right now has the potential to like break the market. The SEC is going to try to not let that happen. GameStop right now is primed to run up over $100 in a single day tomorrow. And that's just me being conservative. If this guy, think about it, there's gonna be potentially hundreds of thousands of people, investors and potential investors of GameStop watching his stream tomorrow. He comes in, he says, you know what, boys, I am bullish on GameStop because of this, and that. This is my plan, and you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna exercise my calls right away on live, and you know, live right now on the stream. Let's do it. You don't think the hundreds of thousands of people watching that are not gonna hop in doing the same thing as well, buying calls, buying shares nonstop? It's gonna be, dude. Boys, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight. I am talking about we're gonna make 2021 look like a sneeze, like exactly what they call it, the 2021 sneeze. The FOMO is gonna be impeccable. It's gonna be something that you cannot even describe. There's nothing has ever happened in history that even remotely compares to what could happen tomorrow if the Roaring Kitty decides to exercise all his calls. It is GameStop. It is game over. GameStop is going to run into the hundreds of dollars. $500 by the end of the day. Can you imagine if it runs $500 by the end of the day? You know how much money the Roaring Kitty is going to have? He's going to make about $5 billion in a single day. Live. Which is probably going to boost the stock even more, because you know what he's going to do? He's going to say, you know what? I'm so rich. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to exercise even more calls, and I'm going to exercise more and more and more. And you know what everyone's going to be doing? We're just going to buy more and more and more. It's going to be insane if he does that. Again, I don't want to set anyone up for failure. I don't want to put expectations on the Roaring Kitty that he doesn't necessarily have planned. You know what I mean? Like, let's also be realistic. We have no idea what he's gonna do. I don't want to say something and make you guys have that false expectation on it. We have no idea what the Roaring Kitty is going to do. But in the event that the Roaring Kitty says it's over and he presses that exercise button live for millions of people to watch, boys, you'll see me in a Bugatti in Miami. You'll see me in a Bugatti in Miami. I'll see you at the moon. And big shout out to everyone as well. I want to give a big shout out to a lot of people that are watching this stream right now. How many people do we have in here? We have about 500 people. Please hit that like button real quick if you don't mind. Let's keep GameStop trending. This is our job. This is our only job. We need to keep this stock in the eyes of everyone. Please just hit that like button. I know I sound like every single cringe YouTuber out there. Just make sure you click that like button. Make sure you guys are sharing this video with everyone else on social media, with your friends, everyone. We need to keep GameStop trending. The more eyes that we have on this at this moment, with the potential that the Roaring Kitty exercises those calls tomorrow, the bigger Moass could potentially be. Hit that like button like your life depends on it, and share with everyone. So as I was saying, for that brief interruption. I want to give a big shout out to every single one of you who have held GameStop over the past couple of years. Holding this stock has been an experience of its own. You know, the people that bought in 2021, you know, we got fucked in the ass real hard because of what happened, you know, with the brokers removing the buy button and everything that happened afterwards. It's been a really rough ride, let's be honest about it. But we never gave up. We held, we got mocked, we've been bullied, we've been banned from even talking about GameStop in so many corners of the internet. We've been referred to as manipulators, stock market manipulators. We've been referred to as like people in a cult. We've been told, hey, you know, you guys are not realistic. You guys are delusional in your expectations that, you know, the whole market's like trying to fucking destroy the little guy, that your short thesis is wrong. Everything. For years now, we've been mocked and we've been bullied and we've been ostracized from like so many trading communities, even myself. And today, as I'm looking at the chart, as I'm looking at what could potentially happen tomorrow, I have only one sentence to say. We told you so. And that's it. We told you. That's it. When everyone comes in to like, you know, ask you, like, oh my God, so like you were actually right. You just got to tell them, I told you so. You don't have to give them an explanation. You don't have to tell them about like what the next big stock is going to be. You don't have to tell them jack shit. You just have to tell them, I told you so. And just let it ride, babe. Let them suck up on that. It's going to be rough. Because now they have 3 years of bullshit to contemplate. At night, it's like, God damn, had I just fucking listened, I could have been rich too. I too could have made a lot of money. But you know what? I decided to be as smart as I decided to pretend to be smarter, to not look at the evidence, to not be realistic, to not open myself up to a conversation about what's happening, to another person's opinion. And because of that, because of my ego, because that's what it is, because of my ego, I missed out. And that's it, boys. I told you so. That's all you have to say. You know how many times I've been told? Because if you guys don't know, I have real live clients. And I've been in a lot of social trading circles over the past couple of years. You know how many times I've been told, and I've been sort of like been made fun of, like underhanded comments and shit like that about GameStop being dead. It's like, you're still holding GameStop? Are you serious, bro? Why? Well, if this guy exercises his calls tomorrow, you know what I'm gonna say. But it's okay. You want to know why? You want to know why I'm gonna be fine? Because I'm not gonna be able to hear them. I won't be able to hear their fucking screech and screams, their begging, their nagging, because that's what happens when you reach success. It's hard to hear them when you're so elevated. It's hard to hear them when you're running 200 miles an hour in your fucking Bugatti. And they are stuck with their little Toyota Corolla. And I'm just going to say, you know what? I'm going to put that, if we Moass tomorrow, if this guy exercises his calls and we Moass, I'm going to get the fucking plate on my car that's going to say, I told you so. GME. I'm gonna get that plate and I'm gonna fucking post it on my Discord. I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. 100%. I'm gonna put one in my Supra, And I'm gonna put one on my fucking Bugatti. That's it. And that's all there is to it, boys. That is all there is to it. Let me see. Larry Chang tweeted THXGME. Get some truck nuts on that Bugatti. Oh yeah. How high can we go? Today, ideally, and again, this is not that what I'm thinking it could go up to. It's already gone up to, it's already moved pretty high in my opinion. But in my opinion, right, pre-market tomorrow, like today's aftermarket and tomorrow's pre-market, if we are above or like around, hovering around $69, $68, baby, we are primed to like move over $100. 100%. 100%. We are primed to move over $100 on GameStop. Hot take, Bugattis are ugly. It's okay. You can get your Lambo, baby. Your Pagani. Get your McLaren. We are all legends. I love my 70s Nova. I'm not a legend. Guys, I'm just a fucking dinkly YouTuber. Like, I don't even have that much of a personality. I've made a lot of videos over the past couple of years. I've been trying to like share as much DD to you guys as possible. I've told you guys about Moass being real. I've tried to like not only educate you guys, but like kept you in the know. But you guys are the legends, each of you. Do not look at, this is very important. Listen to me, guys. Everyone, pay attention. Do not look up to influencers or quote unquote influencers, such as YouTubers like myself, as the ones who should be credited for your own success. You guys held those shares, not me. I mean, I held my own, but I'm talking about like you, everyone in their own perspective. You held your own shares. You didn't give up. You held no matter how low we went, no matter how many people told you it was over, no matter what. This success that you guys are currently experiencing, this is on you. Do not come here and thank me for anything. Look at yourself in the mirror and thank yourself. Don't waste time on YouTubers like thanking like random people like me for just sharing information or hyping things up, whatever it is that you're gonna fill up that blank. This is on you. This success that a lot of you have right now, where you guys broke even on your investment, this is on you, solely you, and you alone. That's it. You just had to believe, yeah. And not only believe, because like, again, it's not like the thesis is based on like some sort of like fanaticism, right? The thesis that has been documented over the past couple of years is backed up by real market information. It's not about believing, it's just about looking at the data yourself and just being open to the possibility of just acknowledging how broken the market is. It's not a thing about GameStop in particular. GameStop is just, it happened to be the victim of a vicious attack that market makers intended to break the company up, and they were unable to do so. And instead of just paying up what investors were owed, in January of 2021, they decided to delay the process. They said, you know what, we're not going to pay them. And ever since then, they've just been absolutely destroyed. The due diligence is real. The short thesis is dead. This would not be happening as we're witnessing it had like all the things we've said been not true. You know what I mean? This would not be happening if everything we've said so far was not true. You think the stock would just randomly run up from 32 to like 53? in a single day without like no real shorters trying to like destroy the value on it? Absolutely not. I see a lot of you here, 455. Let me know who are you, who's your favorite YouTuber that talks about GameStop or AMC? Who's your favorite, what's been that sort of knowledge that you guys like that has been consistent throughout the entire process? And let me know also who has been the source of most disappointment in regards to GameStop and AMC, whether it's someone that just kind of like got bought out, that started spewing information that wasn't true, that told you guys to sell because it wasn't going to move, who has been, you know, both the best and the worst. Let me know. And make sure you guys point it out. Just don't say something like you and this guy, because like who's who? Like who's the good guy and who's the bad guy? Because I know I got a lot of haters as well. I know I'm not universally liked. Let me see. You and Buzz Blunts are my favorite. Houston Wade is a boss. Coors. Trey and Matt Coors are the most disappointing. Coors and Trey are horrible people. Most disappointing guy with the wonky heart attack eye. AI from Boston. Matt Coors and Rowange are terrible. Rowange. Worst. Coors. Crypto Zombie. Jackie the best. Jackie sent me a lot of people earlier, so I'm really happy he did that. I gotta check him out. I've never seen his content. Trey's my biggest disappointment. Andrew Mo, money disappeared into the thin air. AI out from Boston. TMI and Trey were my mains. Stockwish Josh, all good. Never forget the face paint guy. TMI is who I stock with. Yeah. Seriously, TMI also disappointing. Coors is just awful. Man, a lot of people just don't like Matt Coors. Damn. It's crazy because when you look at Matt Coors, like if I search up AMC live streams or GameStop live streams, he's like the first one that like pops up. Because if I'm trying to see like how I'm stacking up in regards to like my live stream viewers with like other people, that guy has like 10,000 people watching him at once. I'm lucky to have 400 people at once. Like this, I have 400 people watching today, and this is like a second, like slightly below my all-time high. I'm not that interesting. my YouTube career, quote unquote, because that's just fucking cringe to say unless you're like Mr. Beast. My YouTube career sucks, bro. This is bottom of the barrel. Honestly, bro, at the start of the whole AMC, I listened to your various streamers, but as time went on, it turned out all others were basically just hypers. You're the only one I follow now. I appreciate it, Victor, man. Thank you so much, man. I just recently started watching Richard Newton and love his stuff. Marin's Rants or Sims is the best. Love Buzz Blunts. Course is the biggest disappointing. Dude is a sellout. He shouldn't even be allowed to talk about GameStop or AMX. Or are you talking about AMC? Let me see. Let me see. Oh my god, I scrolled down too much. My bad. Give me a second. Where the fuck am I? Here we go. AMC Big Gums and you have been my top sources. Thomas Jane has been good as well. Traders helping traders. Too good. G. Stocks Wish with Josh is also very good. It would be happening on AMC. Big Gums for President. Brian, what's going on? It would be happening on AMC. Brian! Bro, I don't know how you're that good at Call of Duty. Screw you for that. I'm so jealous. I suck at that game so much. Mayhem Carter, you are my favorite influencer on this. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Courses road to AMC wave, then dipped. Oh, man, that sucks. Simulate and trade. The game is rigger beyond belief. Oh, yeah. The game is rigged. This thing is rigged. I mean, the fact that E-Trade was considering banning. Think about this. At the peak of a play, a broker backed by Morgan Stanley of all fucking institutions, one of the worst ones, says, you know what? We just think that your position does not essentially align with our ethical values. So we're thinking about kicking you out. That is, oh my God, that is, I mean, we talk about manipulation. We talk about how sinister and corrupt the system is, but that is like the embodiment of like the vileness in the markets, like how fucked up everything is. The fact that when you're winning a game, right, when you're winning on the chessboard, oh, I'm finally beating you. You've won 99 games out of the 100, but like this one, I might just win. And then the other guy just like kicks off the chessboard because he's like, you're not going to be allowed to win. That's what it feels like. Just absolutely insane that they were considering and are considering doing that. Fuck this system, bro. Here are my favorite influencer. Core's Road to AMC wave and then dip, simulate and trade. The game is rigor. Yep. The Roaring Kitty is the absolute GOAT. Yeah, I 100% agree with that. He turned 53,000 into $1 billion, or like near $1 billion. Insanity. Big Gums, Paper, Hand, Portnoy. Core's lost shitloads of money from GME and AMC. Where's is Al from Boston? I don't know. AI? Is it AI or Al from Boston? I have no idea. I want to see Trump debate The Rock. That's going to be funny as fuck. That would be funny as hell. Traitor. UN Cosmic Lighting Warrior can blame him. Wrench is pronounced wrench. So like a wrench? Like a wrench? I don't even know. It's a weird name. Where's he from? That sounds like European. Stuck at 51. Mo Money. All he did was read Reddit posts. That is crazy. Trades went trash. Damn, there's a lot of people that just don't like Matt Kors and Trey. I can't remember one, but I had one say Adder was going back up when I just got out at a profit. Supposedly it was going to jump massively. Nope, it completely tanked. Man, that sucks, bro. 2Cup Gaming says, simulate. We are the after party. Yeah, the after hours vibe. Yeah, we are. How many people are also live streaming? Let me see. Who's also live streaming GameStop right now? Let me see. It's me. Rance came up. Bulldog Trading came up. Jordan Camirand came up. I don't see a lot of people with like pumping up like real GameStop influencers or quote unquote would be influencers. Talking about GameStop, what the fuck? Nobody gives a fuck about GameStop when it's mooning, when we're fucking winning. Unfucking believable. Fucking L to all these goofy ass YouTubers. I honestly cringe at myself for like being a quote unquote YouTuber as well, because like we have such a terrible name and we deserve it. We have a bad reputation of pumping shit up, and I fully agree. Most YouTubers are shit. That's coming from a YouTuber, so yeah. TMI and Keenan, are those like the most beautiful ape? Are those like your favorite ones, or are those like your most disappointing ones? I really like Trades, but he shifted gears and disappeared on us. Review dork dares to peek in now. Really, that clown is so that clown is actually coming back into GameStop. I like trade spotting too. Lou no good. Mad Horse is the worst of them all. You as well. Oh, he must be like your favorite ones. Fanny Pack Cores got all his following off of AMC and GameStop and became a shill. Really? What did Matt Kors say that turned off so many people? Ape Candy, Face Paint Guy, LMAO, Ultimate Warrior, Wannabe Ape, Downs with Kors and Trade Dildo. I remember that dildo thing. It was like all over the AMC subreddit. I thought it was such a weird thing to do, to be honest. I thought he was gay. I thought it was a way of him saying he was gay, but I don't know. Again, I have no idea. I never followed Trey like that. Fuck me. I lost. This thing kind of like, it'll scroll down your comment section even if you're not reading at that level. It'll like force it down, and I gotta like find my way back up. Let me see. Trey was the best. Things got a little out of hand. A lot of people being mean to the dude. I don't blame him for taking a break. Yeah, me neither. Listen, if your heart's no longer in the play, you are allowed to like remove yourself and move on to something else in life. You know what I mean? If this was affecting Trey mentally, is it right to say that he still had to stuck to it, and or like he has to like stick to still talking about AMC when it's affecting him emotionally? I don't think that's right. I feel like if it honestly broke him, because he was like massive on YouTube, if this thing broke him, then he's allowed to move on to something else. Honestly, like everyone's allowed to everyone's entitled to their own happiness. So that's kind of like my take on that. Brother, what you're sipping on? Please, I need to know. I'm drinking lemonade. I have a glass of water, and I was eating bread and oatmeal. Brother, what are you saying? I'm seeing you've been watching it for 2 years. I appreciate all your research. I appreciate you being here, man. Keen and Grace is the man too. Simulator Trade is respectable. CCIV to Lucid got me paid, so I can thank Trey for that. That's what's up, man. Trey banned me on Twitch. What did you say? You got 40 plus K subs. LMAO. Yeah, I don't have a lot of subs on my channel. My YouTube channel never really took off. Robot Voice is the GOAT. Carlos, all the way for positivity and information. I appreciate that, Carl. I'm hoping he exercises so I can afford McDonald's. Trey, not a fan of course. Trey or Lou. I like Matt and Trey. They got thrown into the whirlwind, and you expect them to be perfect. Kudos to both those guys. Yeah, like I said, I don't expect them to be anything. I don't even watch them, to be honest. I never did, because on Simulator Trade 2024, if you are an ape and not a sellout, then God bless you, sir. AMC Big Gums is really funny. I think most of course viewers are his haters. Yeah, because he still gets a fuck ton of views. Where's the robot voice? It's in the videos, man. But like I've been using my own voice because like making videos with my own voice is a lot faster and a lot easier. You're interesting. Sent you a like. Appreciate it, man. Thank you, guys. If you don't mind, if you're new to the video, hit that like button. Help me out, please. Be real. Let's keep GameStop trending. The more we keep it trending, the more eyes we get on this. And tomorrow, if this guy exercises those calls, we are set. I put a link of my Discord on the chat. Make sure you guys click it and join us. How many people have joined today? There's been a lot of people coming in. We are how much? Oh my god, we are 7 people out from reaching 3,000 people on the Discord. We need 7 of you to come in. Click that link. We got day trades, educational content, chats, talking about GameStop, AMC, other investment material, investment opportunities, calendars, news, everything. Everything. Make sure you guys click that link. I'm going to put it again. All right, let's see. Where's the robot? Oh, you're interesting. Sending a like. I appreciate it, JT. Thank you so much. I like your videos, but now I'm missing the robot voice. Yeah, I'm going to make more videos like that, so don't worry about that. Cosmic Lighting Warrior, face paint guy was a blast. Justice. Kidding. Matt is not that bad. Now, back then, the AMC stuff was bad. You have a great head, though. I find myself lining up with you the most. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Hey, Carlos, it's Leonard. Funny how Coors LT, the masked pretender, showed up after being gone. Great to hear you after knowing the robot forever. You're a good man. I appreciate it, man. I've been live streaming for months now. Maybe the YouTube algorithm is not pushing my content, but if you look at my live streams, I've been doing this for a little while now. I've been here and I'm always going to be here. I'm not leaving until we moon or we zero out. My GameStop can go to hell or you can go to the moon. As far as I'm concerned, I don't give a fuck. I mean, I cannot just pass on the opportunity of making so much money. Like, I would just hate myself for not being involved in GameStop if we actually like rose up, you know. Funny how, let me see, you're a good man. Carlos, you're the only one I still follow. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Shanghai Moon. Oh yeah, Keenan too. That man has been great with my knowledge. Tetron seems solid. Diamond, the GOAT. Bro, you've been in my Discord for so long. I appreciate you being there, man. You and I go back to like 2022, and it's been real, bro. I never told you that, but I appreciate the fuck out of you still being around. You are an amazing member in my Discord, and I hold you to such high regard, man. Seriously, I appreciate it. I appreciate you to the moon, bro. Sorry guys, I'm trying to eat and like drink because I haven't had anything to eat and drink in the entire day. I've been streaming and trading in the morning, and I was dealing with a whole bunch of other stuff, so I'm kind of like all over the place. I would destroy him in Halo. I made 8 devs and me rage quit Halo 3 Blood Gulch. Oh yeah, I love Halo. It's the only shooter that I was ever good at. Then Infinite came out, and it was just such a dud. It was derived of content at release, and I was just kind of like, I gave up on 343. I want AMC to lead the way. It's trading soft right now. Yeah, AMC's looking fucking sad, bro. What the fuck is that shit? We need a breakout, not a breakdown. Let me see. Carlos, you and Cosmic Lighting's been the only ones that I've been listening to since 2021. Love Cosmic Lightning Warrior as well. You big SIP trader Marantz. Did you call it simulate and trade? Why did you call it simulate and trade? I was watching The Matrix and I was like, oh my god. Like I feel like this whole market thing is like an algorithm. It's like a simulation of things. And I said, you know what? Like simulate and trade. It just makes sense. And I just went with it. I thought it was kind of a goofy name that wouldn't like pick up, but like apparently a lot of people, it kind of like stands out a little bit. So I'm happy I went with it. So I was gonna call it like Carlos's Trades, but I went with Simulate and Trades. So I'm pretty happy with my decision. I was first in the world for a while. Endless Night, Pred, Challenge. Nobody better at DD than Sam or Marantz. Though, Rig to Explode Now, Dark Knight Trader, and Jedi Knight Rider. Thank you for years of excellent DD. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Threatening to close an account is market manipulation to the downside. 100% agree. E-Trade violated federal law for saying that. I agree with that as well. I lost 40 grand on AMC. Well, technically never sold, just a big 3-year bag holder. Brother, I've been telling you for years, like, diversify your portfolios. I talked about this earlier. Guys, if you're new to the channel, you need to diversify your holdings. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Have other things that will hold up your portfolio over time. I've said that a billion times and I'll keep on saying it. You think I'm only in GameStop? You know how much money I put into Nvidia last year and how well that's performed? That held up my portfolio so well. And now that GameStop's mooning, my portfolio's at an all-time high. Years of averaging down and then buying other things and then performing well. And guys, I put all this information out, like other alternative, really good investments. I put them on my Discord channel. Just click the link and join us, man. You guys will not regret that. I'm going to put a link in the chat right there. Boom. All right, let's see. Jackie is TA. New Endless Options. Cosmic Hype. Okay. This is basically the only stock channel I watch. Throw in Cosmic Lightning Warrior for entertainment value. LOL. My modded original Xbox still works. 200 gigs. I used to play the original Halo against hackers. All I could do was hit them in the back and teabag. Don't forget to put money aside for taxes after Moass. Or after Moass, I'm leaving the fucking country, bro. I'm just kidding, NSA. Don't come arrest me. I promise I will pay you your due. I will pay my due. Fucking FBI agents probably snooping in on the stream, trying to find ways to like charge me with some bullshit after Moass so the money can go back to the hedge funds. I'm gonna say I don't think they're considering that. I think they are doing that. All projectors, I took magnifiers out with a 13-inch tube TV, 8 feet by 9 on the wall. Mario was like 3 feet taller. 3 feet tall, great for shrooms. You didn't lose on AMC if you never sold. Now it's time for us, brothers. Any word on Buffett after BRK's? Yeah, it went up, so like Buffett's is fine. He doesn't give a fuck. It's like, oh, it's whatever. It was a glitch, to be honest. It's not a big deal. He's gonna be fine with his $130 billion. I think he has in net worth. He's gonna be just fine. Matt Course blocked me because I talked shit about Pharma Bro. Who's Pharma Bro? Wrench sounded like he had 10 testicles. We were early, but we're not wrong. Yep. I like Charlie Platus. Lou, my 1090 shares turned into 109 shares. So yeah, I got screwed. Oof. L, man. Yeah. I'm sorry to hear that. You're just hella early. Lou and his damn Wes Batman finger dance. I think they just don't want to get sued. That's why most YouTubers aren't talking about it. What are you talking about, man? There shouldn't be any fear for talking about a stock. It's just what's happening in the market. You are allowed to talk about it. I sure as hell don't fear the government coming after me for talking about GameStop, which is like the hottest stock in the market right now. Rip Lou, yep. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Scroll down. There we go. You still eating, Carlos? Jeez, dude, I've been trying to eat and stream, so like it's taken me a while. I've been streaming for like 3 hours now, I think. Yeah, 3 hours. Two hours and 40 minutes. What's your take on Ant's trades? I don't know who that is, man. Again, I don't follow or like watch anyone else. I know it seems like narcissistic and shit, but like I don't really watch anyone else's content. I just focus on my own. Matt Coors, Fartgate. I like Jim Cramer. Yeah, I like Jim Cramer too. I know that's kind of a hot take, but Jim Cramer's been right a lot of times, and a lot of people don't want to give him credit. Remember when he talked about buying Meta and Netflix back in 2022 when everything was when those two were crashing? Remember that? Look at them now. He was right all along. Anyone that listened to his advice is up big time, especially on Meta. Meta went from like $100 to like $450. Quadrupled your investment. So shout out to Jim Cramer for that. I was also talking about buying Meta in 2022. Pull me up on my Discord. You'll find it. He left the family for too long. How will I have no idea, man. I like the Roaring Kitty. My options expires. Tom, thinking of selling before live stream. That's on you, man. You can sell a portion. You can scale out. You know, you don't have to sell everything at once. I haven't held onto 68 shares of GameStop through homelessness and recently just got a good job and haven't been adding to it little by little. I have holds. Sorry, man. If you have been adding, because it reads as if you haven't, but I feel like what you meant to say is you've been adding little by little. If you have, more power to you, man. Went on Fox News, LMAO. Matt Coors was all about super chats via YouTube. Do you have less viewers now than on now that the live stream chat or the Roaring Kitty's on? Yeah, I have. Dude, my viewership is absolute ass, honestly. Like on my videos and my streams in comparison to like other people. I'm a small time YouTuber, even though I've been here for a while. Eating is annoying. I'll be back. I apologize about that, but I gotta eat. I gotta hit the gym in like an hour. I support you. Roaring Kitty was mentioned on Joe Rogan yesterday. I like Trey. Remember, he was in the military. We've always liked you. One of the good ones. I appreciate it, Melissa. Thank you so much. Melissa, make sure you join my Discord. We need more women in my Discord, to be honest, because like it's all men. Yeah. Matt at first was all about the squeeze until after the June run in AMC. After that, he focused on the rest of the market and trashed AMC and Adam Aaron any chance he could. Just look at it. He just took his profits and ran. He is a pitch weak. And in PR propaganda, I thought Trey's a real one. His pinned tweet has been that AMC hasn't reached its all-time high for years now. If that's true, that's what's up. Yeah, that means he's still bullish about the company. He probably has investments in it still. Hydrate, beware military industrial complex. I agree with that. Tomorrow, Gil will live stream. Yes, at 12 p.m. Get some more veggies and protein, bro. If you're staying up, GameStop has the better board, and AMC was in a worse situation. I follow Trey a lot. But as I learned more, I realized his content was not that relatable. I think he realized that too and quit. Work in some push-ups and squats. Blood rituals are important. I have been in this place since 2021. GameStop and AMC. I started off listening to Matt Kors. He got arrogant and then liked the energy of the VIX. He started pushing his Discord more than any stocks. Thanks for all you do. I appreciate you, Melissa. Thank you so much for joining us. Once Kors started selling merch and I was done with his ass, Wolfie Wisdom banned me, and I was just excited promoting my ideas for GameStop and AMC co-op merger. Are you chewing on a Jolly Rancher? No. I'm chewing on bread. Zach, LMAO. I'm in, baby. That's what's up. New investor here. I bought about $1,000 worth of shares at 31 this morning. Should I buy more tomorrow, or will that mess up my average? Yeah, it will mess up your average depending on where we open up tomorrow. And then there was this dude who had a funny electric voice and whores in car park. I like that. Oh, that's what's up. I like that guy too. The AMC streamers kept this up, to be honest. Trey, Kors, and other AMC streamers kept the meme stocks in play. Love ya. I appreciate it, Back Alley. Love you too. Felix says, Diamond Hands all the way, baby. Jet Up says, I'm jumping off at 1,000. I got my parachute ready. Emily says, is 400 shares enough? Oh, yeah. It's more than enough. Make sure you guys join my Discord. I'll be talking about that later tonight. I'm going to make a big post. Tell Tucker Carlson booties are not only cool and... what? I have no idea what you're saying, man. This pullback is uninspiring. Yeah, it is uninspiring. But GameStop is holding well. Like, look. It's holding that level. It's fine. It is pulling back a little bit, but it's fine. It's holding. It's not like if the stock went down to like $41. You know what I mean? I had a little while watching Data Zero, but my goodness, doesn't he repeat himself a lot? Emily, I only have 3 GME shares. $400. 400 is a lot, yeah. GME did a lot of running, has to retire their shares before another run. Exactly, that's what I'm talking about. Let it rest. It's fine. It's holding well. Even AMC is holding pretty well too. So just give it time, boys. It's not gonna run vertical 24/7. Until tomorrow, that is. If this guy exercises those calls, it's over, man. This thing is gonna blow up. Same, I only follow you now. Carlos, you helped me stay level-headed and informed better than anyone. I appreciate it, man. Jumped into Discord. Thank you so much, Bald. I like AMC because we've been diluted into oblivion. I love GME and hold both, but if both run to previous highs, AMC is 10 times greater than GameStop. I respectfully disagree with that. I feel like it's going to be the other way around. But, you know, we never know what's going to happen, so just hold on. Let's see what the market has to say about that. With the amount of shares I'm holding, if the price could go to 500,000 a share, I could be a millionaire. With the amount of shares that I have, if we run up to $500,000 a share, I'm going to be a billionaire, 100%. And Roaring Kitty might be a trillionaire. I don't think it's going to run up that high. Because at that point, who's going to pay that much? There's going to be trillionaires everywhere. Going to bounce off that FIB. I'm thinking of swapping my AMC shares for GameStop shares. Let's go out with a bang. Now I have more, but price is up in a jovial mood. Carlito's way of trading. That's right. I did that a few months ago. Best move I've made in the last couple of years, which I wish I would have gotten in at 10 and double my investments. GameStop seems to consistently go up. Even when it goes down, it always bounces back up. That's right. I've been telling you guys. I've been warning you. Pay attention. I know this. 3 years ago, I thought I was playing roulette. Carlos, have you reached $1 million? Yeah, I have. Cosmic Warrior is face paint guy. Nah, just shove all profits into crypto and bounds. Cosmic's awesome. LMAO. I just have that one basket. banks will collapse. Is anyone else having trouble with Trade Republic? Last price on the app is from 4 hours. I don't even know what that is. Oh my god, it pushed me down, bro. It messed me up. Should I consider rolling my position tomorrow? Up to you, man. Depends on what happens tomorrow, guys. Like, there's so many variables at play at this moment that, you know, sort of trying to like price in where it's gonna go tomorrow can go all over the place. The Roaring Kitty might just fuck around and not be serious about GameStop and on his live stream, and we end up having GameStop not really move all that much. In fact, we might even see it sell off, or we might see it blow up if he says something really bullish. So we have no idea. You cannot sort of, you know, close yourself to one single particular trading strategy when you don't know, when the outcomes of what could happen tomorrow are so diverse. You know what I mean? You have to be a little bit more flexible, I would say. Damn, 5,000 people, 5,000 views on this stream. It's crazy. Boys, if you don't mind, hit that like button if you're new. And join the Discord. I'm going to put it for free right here. I'm going to be talking about GameStop tonight, so you guys do not want to miss that. Make sure you smash that like button and join the Discord. I just put it right there under chat. I got a lot to say about GameStop, and I'm not going to be making a video tonight, so you do not want to miss out. Do not be that guy that's going to be all lost asking the questions I already answered tomorrow. I'm hitting leg day tonight. Am I at risk using E-Trade? 100%. 110%. E-Trade is not your fucking friend. E-Trade is not your friend. Is there any rule on how many times they can halt it in a day or a week? Nope. They can halt it as many times as they see needed. XRP is where the real money will be made. That's what's up. I am sharing this stream. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. AMC is much more shorted. Probably is, to be honest. I would agree with that. I am a female. Is it worth it for me to buy games to buy now? I would, if I was you, yeah. I wouldn't put all my money all in at once, but I would slowly buy over time. I've been following you for a long time. You have stayed solid and honest. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yes, I am done eating, by the way. Finally. What happened to everyone holding on Cash App? Will they not let me ever cash out? I have no idea, man. I don't use Cash App. I forgot that they allow people to like hold shares and that. I joined the Discord. Thank you. Thank you. We're going to be talking a lot about GameStop tonight. So if you guys haven't joined, hit it. Let me see. I have interactive brokers for some shares and computer share for most of my shares. Am I at risk of getting screwed? Nah. IBKR is pretty solid in my opinion. Halting is akin to pausing an online game. It's only natural. Yep. I agree with that. That is a really good way to put it, to be honest. That is a really, really good way to put it. How many halts today? 2? I think we got like 1 at least. Holy AMC, look at that. Damn, what happened? GameStop is holding well, but AMC is just taking a shitter. Let me see. I bought shares at $28. It's been great gains. Yeah, me too. I bought a little bit to trade, and then I sold. Because like this thing was, did any of you play options on GameStop today? If you guys played calls on GameStop, congratulations. Like anything you got, you made a ton of money on that. Cash App has no extended time, but I use it and bought it on Cash App, some shares for each. When the buy button was taken away on my 2 other brokers. Oh, I'm a dumbass and got in at $47. Let's see what happens. Jaden, you bought at peak. You bought at peak. I hope you didn't spend too much money though. If you spent a normal amount of money, then you're fine. Because then you can just buy on the way down. If it goes down. If it goes down, right? I am a dumbass. Can you explain the best Roaring Kitty strategy with exercising his calls? Ideally, to be honest, if he's going to be live trading tomorrow, he's going to be live streaming. If he says, I'm going to exercise my calls on the stream with millions of people watching, yeah, bro, we're going to eat real fucking good. The FOMO is going to be absolutely insane. The buying pressure is going to explode, and it's going to carry GameStop to potentially an all-time high. If he does that, there's no reason to believe he will do that, but it is a possibility. What do I buy right now? I've been buying a lot of BA, Boeing. I've been buying Nvidia, even though it's at its peak. I have been buying that. I'm looking to buy into GameStop when it's cheaper. I've been buying Microsoft. I've been buying US Steel. I've been buying Paramount. I have been buying Intel. I've been buying TSM. I've been buying ASML. What else have I been buying? I bought Discover shares. Discover Card, the company. I bought that. I bought McDonald's because it's weak. And it's never going to go away. That's what I've been buying. I talk about it on my Discord. Like, just join and go to the investment channel. And I talk about my investment strategy. Boeing, LMAO. Yeah, bro. I've been buying while it's weak. It's one company that will not go away. I talk about it on my Discord. Just check it out. I put out the whole thesis behind it. My whole thesis behind why I am so bullish on Boeing long term. And I'm going to buy it while it's weak. When do you think GameStop will drop again to buy? It depends, man. Again, it depends on what happens tomorrow. The outcome of what could happen tomorrow could spiral GameStop into the fucking stratosphere, or it could have it just go down over time. We could see $33 again tomorrow, if I'm going to be honest. If nothing happens on that stream, we could see GameStop sell off. We could 100% see GameStop selling off. So it's, the options are so, the outcomes are so, explosive in nature, or they could just be nothing. It's just way too many options, man. Way too many outlooks on GameStop at the moment to say, to position some sort of expectation on it. It's too volatile. Since you are buying Boeing, are you buying ERJ? Not yet. Nope. Yeah, Boeing has too many military contracts to go away anytime soon. I'm not even an experienced investors, and I can see that. Yeah, invest between Airbus and Boeing. Like, those two are pretty much the manufacturers of airplanes, and they're not gonna go away. And Boeing has been performing pretty well considering all the shit that they've been going through. So I've been buying slowly, right? Because there are challenges for the company, but I opened up a position, and I am consistently buying every single month a little bit of Boeing, adding a little bit of money there, and kind of like, thinking about it long term. So let me see. 50 sounds low, but that was 200 in 2021. Yep. We might see $100 tomorrow on GameStop, 100%. We might see $200 for all we know, or even more, depending on what happens. I'm bullish on Boeing because they can literally eliminate anyone through failed flights and still get bailed out. Yep, the government's not going to allow them to go bankrupt. That's not going to happen. Defense contractors will never go bankrupt in the USA, which is a reason that's another company that I am investing in. LMT, Lockheed Martin. That's about, that company on average outperforms the entire market return on investment. If you look at your typical LMT ROI, it outperforms the S&P 500 year over year. Help him, exercise him. He can help me, bro. He's stacked. He's the one who's gonna be a fucking multi-billionaire. Bro is him. Bro is legitimately him. What were the earnings today? What did we have today? I don't even know. I didn't even look. Today we had Nio, DocuSign, Tilly's. Who the fuck shops at Tilly's, man? If you are over 20 years old and you're still shopping at Tilly's, like, reassess your life. Zoomies. Let me see if he comes back and just says, hey, I'm Roaring Kitty and I'm back. Check out my weekly stock tips and tricks every Monday at 8 a.m. I'm going to lose it. Oh, yeah. I bet AMC gets diluted tomorrow. Imagine if a professional studio and podcast. Imagine if it's a professional studio and podcast with guests and shit. Imagine if he brings the CEO. That would be crazy. If they never halted AMC or GameStop, where would they be at? Right now, they would probably be significantly lower than they are right now. Because the Moass wouldn't be a thing. Shorts would have covered in January. The thing would have blown up, but now over time it would have pulled back down and nobody would be buying because the short thesis would be dead. It would have been completed. They would not have been making so many naked shares to like destroy the company, and they would have not had to like lie and print so much over the couple of years that have gone past. So like it would have been over, but that did not happen, and that's the reason why GameStop is running fucking 45% on no news. Potential dip on the open with people taking profits. Yep, I see that happening. Might be a buying opportunity before the stream starts. I agree with that. Tomorrow I'm gonna be scalping options on GameStop like it's nobody else's business. I'm thinking about streaming it as well. That's why you guys need to join my Discord, because I'm going to be putting all my plays in there. I'm going to be talking about my trades, like what I'm thinking about, what I'm seeing on GameStop for like potential option plays. If you guys want to make money, real money, make sure you guys join that. Make sure you guys click that link, because that's where all the goodies are going to be at. Do you think we're going to be going to experience the next month? Calls or exercise will be the Moass, or do you think the real deal Moass won't happen until the NFT thing? I don't think it's gonna happen until the NFT thing. I don't even think it's gonna happen tomorrow, unless this guy exercises, which at that point it could sort of create a domino chain where like shorts kind of like get screwed and the price goes ballistic. But again, who knows? Who knows? Do you think Robinhood will halt trading? Again? Yeah. I think every broker. I think the stock might just. I think the SEC might just interfere and say we're gonna halt the stock. We're gonna, suspend it from trading altogether until we sort of settle everything out. Do you think you could have any problem to cash out during the run up if it goes really high, really fast? Yeah. Yes, I do. Why is GameStop doing better than AMC? Because GameStop is a stronger play. It's the real Moass play. Halts stops upward momentum though. Yeah, they do. We have no idea. We don't know what they're gonna do, man. It depends a lot on what happens on that stream. It's honestly a question mark. Do you know what will be on it? And Trump, oh my God. Fighting against corruption, can't stop, won't stop, original matters movement. Yep. Says the guy who sold his wife. Holy shit. Hi everyone. What's going on, Data? How you doing? Press like and subscribe. Yes. Press that like button. Help me pump this stream, get our viewers, and we'll be set. Are you saying twerk for me? FFIE is looking good. Yeah, I traded a lot of FIE. All right, boys. I think I'm going to wrap it up. I've been streaming for 3 hours and I got shit to get done tonight. I got to go to the gym. I got to go downtown. I got to do cardio. It's that time of the day where we part ways. This is like the Return of the King, where I go on the little ship at the end of the movie. If they go after Kitty, they have to go after anyone. They're going to have to come after me. They're going to have to come after me too. And they're going to have to come after like about 10 million plus share owners, including big institutions as well. They're going to have to go against Rentec, which is like the most successful hedge fund. So Dave Portnoy tweeted his position. Oh, he did? Let me see. Before we end the stream, let me see. I don't like Dave Portnoy. I think he's such a fucking clown. But, you know, if he's also like pumping up GameStop, then more power to him. I don't see it. But who gives a fuck, honestly? This guy's such a fucking clown. He was bitching about GameStop a couple hours ago. He can go fuck himself. I don't like this guy. I don't know. He just comes off as a little bitch. He's always crying and shit. He needs that attention that daddy didn't give him. So fuck him. Anyway, boys, thank you so much for watching this stream. I can't believe we had 6,000 people come in. Join my Discord. I'm going to put a link right there. Make sure you guys click it because I'm about to log off. And it's over until tomorrow. I am still debating whether I should be streaming tomorrow. I'll make up my mind then. And yeah, it's been real, man. I can't believe 6,000 fucking viewers. Insane. That is crazy. But you guys are the fucking best of the best. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Have an amazing evening. And to the moon.